Oh. Oh, hello. Hi. Hello, everybody. It is Artie of Artie's Corporate Fiction. Happy Friday to all of you. Hold on a second here. Please don't tell me this is a twist off after all. No, it's not. Okay, good. Happy Friday. Happy to be done with the week. Ready to relax. Hope you guys are doing well. I know some of you, for you guys, like, Friday's just like every other day. Wait, was it not playing for you guys? It should have been. Uh-oh. That's not good. Yeah, y'all should have been able to hear that. Huh. Hold on a second here. I switched to a new audio mixer that I think once I get the kinks out of it, it should actually be a lot more workable than what I've had before, but still takes a little bit. You guys can't hear this? You should be. Right? Yeah, I think you guys should have heard that, right? I just played a song. Oh, you can hear it now, but it's low. Okay. All right, that's fine. Yeah, okay, I'll have to fix that later. Anyway, so news roundup. This is actually breaking because I just saw this on my feed. And yeah, so it seems the super mayor is she's racking up the subpoenas. So we're going to take a look at this report that it was just posted an hour ago about the latest.
New developments tonight in the criminal investigation happening in South.
Oh yeah, Sean, I'll check that out for sure.
Has confirmed another subpoena was delivered at Village Hall earlier this week, requesting specific information about Mayor Tiffany Henyard and other key figures in her administration. Our Regina Waldrop's been on this story from the beginning. She takes a deeper look tonight at the records that federal authorities are requesting and what's next.
Okay, hey, thank you for the membership, man.
NBC5 with this copy of the latest court order. It asks for a variety of financial reports like budgets, accounting records, and receipts for Mayor Tiffany Henyard, Village Administrator Keith Freeman, and Trustee Andrew Holmes, as well as several.
Well, this is all, they didn't highlight it, but as we all know, guys, the Government Staffing Affairs, Government Staffing Advisors LLC is Keith's other corporation that he allegedly used to put all of his personal assets to hide from bankruptcy court.
Other companies and individuals, plus any records related to Henyard's charitable organizations. The subpoena also requests all travel records paid for by the municipality, including a trip taken to Las Vegas in May of last year. On that trip, both the mayor's former assistant and a Dalton police officer. They've both filed a civil lawsuit accusing Holmes of assault and battery and Henyard of retaliation. Regarding the lawsuit, the mayor and Holmes both declined to comment. The first two grand jury subpoenas were served April 10th, asking for personnel and disciplinary files for nearly 30 people. The subpoenas also ask for documents related to Keith Freeman, the village administrator recently indicted on charges of bankruptcy fraud. His attorney told us he has no plans to step down. A few days ago, the law firm representing the village in at least 19 lawsuits in Cook County and federal court said it's planning to withdraw from the cases May 8th due to lack of payment. NBC5 has obtained a copy of the letter sent to the village by the Delgado law firm of Berwyn. 4 Dalton trustees recently appointed Lori Lightfoot, Chicago's former mayor and a former federal prosecutor, as a special investigator. The next village board meeting set for Monday at 6:30. Regina Waldrop, NBC5 News.
Thanks, Regina. Let's talk about the corruption claims in South suburban Dalton. Apparently, they're getting the attention of the FBI. Federal agents were seen entering Village Hall today in what the Bureau calls a...
We already know about this.
Trustees we spoke to clearly feel really...
We already saw this last week. Okay, so that was the update.
And it said very clearly there was no FBI raid at Village Hall. No further comment.
Oh, we've made a first court appearance.
Now to the legal troubles in Dalton. They are piling up for officials there. Today, a top aide appeared in federal court on bankruptcy fraud charges, and the Village also faces another lawsuit. Our Regina Waldrop takes a look at both cases.
A top advisor to Dalton's mayor making his first appearance in federal court. Keith Freeman entered a not guilty plea to a scheme to commit bankruptcy fraud. The village administrator and manager of Thornton Township is accused of underreporting income from his jobs and from his private consulting business.
We're ready to defend with everything we have, anything that comes Mr. Freeman's way.
Freeman's attorney says he has no plans to step down from his positions. He also says this case has nothing to do with any other federal investigations.
We've had a couple of questions directed to me about whether or not this indictment means that the government is effectively trying to squeeze Mr. Freeman into cooperation.
And a few days after...
Now that is actually a kind of a good question, but I guess they're saying that's not what's happening. I mean, but I mean, if it was happening, they'd never admit it publicly.
Freeman was indicted. The FBI served 2 subpoenas at Dalton Village Hall.
If you look at the subpoenas, they're very specific.
Renato Mariotti is a former federal prosecutor. We reached out to him to find out what he thought about the recent developments.
There appears to be an active federal investigation, it certainly looks like the feds have something. They're not just fishing.
Dalton's government is marred in accusations of misspending, lawsuits, and probes. Tuesday, Mayor Tiffany Henyard.
BSBT, thank you for the $2 super chat for this weekend's lap dances. I mean, like, my birthday was last Friday, so, and even then I did not go to a strip club. I would never go to a strip club, and I definitely wouldn't go to a strip club where the lap dances are only $2. Goodness.
Henyard and Freeman were hit with another lawsuit. This one filed in federal court by business owner Tyrone Isom Jr.
I was really excited when I came across that property because I was just waiting to put my stamp on Dalton so I can help the youth.
Isom says he bought...
Hey, thank you, Thomas, for the gifted membership.
...for $85,000. He says he remodeled it, first hoping to open a barber shop, then a tattoo shop. But he claims his applications for business licenses were denied with no explanations as to why.
He's finally told, nope, the mayor wants the property.
Unable to open a business at the location, Isom says he was forced to sell the property. He's seeking compensatory damages plus attorney's fees. The village declined to comment on the lawsuit. As for Village Administrator Keith Freeman, he's expected back in court June 5th. At the Dirksen Federal Courthouse, I'm Regina Waldrop, NBC5 News.
Our thanks to Regina.
Over to Thornton Township now. Residents there, they are fed up, and they want answers about how their tax dollars are being spent. Well, that was the message today at a rally in Calumet City. NBC5's Regina.
Dozens of communities with one demand: more accountability and transparency into how they're...
Remember, guys, remember what she said beforehand. This is all a sham. It's all the powers that be that don't like a strong black woman in power.
Tax dollars are being...
When I feel like about half of the people here are black women who are opposing her.
In Thornton Township.
We want people to know what's going on so we can try to stop it.
Dalton Mayor Tiffany Henyard also serves as supervisor of the township, which has a population of close to 158,000 people and covers 17 communities. The village's government is marred in accusations of misspending, lawsuits, and probes. The township's also named in a lawsuit filed by Henyard's former assistant and a Dalton police officer who allege abuse and retaliation.
She put us in this situation. The only way we're going to get out of it is that we dig our own selves out of it.
Mary Avant is a retired police officer who lives in Dalton. She's one of the organizers of this Take Back Our Township rally.
We're hoping to get positive momentum and connect with other people.
Ryan Sanulski is a longtime resident of Harvey.
So many of us, not only at the township level, but then at our individual municipal levels, are going through just lack of transparency. We don't know how any of our tax money is being spent.
Hey, Stroke Souther, thank you for 27 months. I appreciate it, man. Thank you.
But even beyond that, I mean, we're all just citizens.
And organizers say this rally is not just a
Hope you have a better day.
Next steps include
today and tomorrow.
who attended the rally to contact their elected officials and request a meeting.
To sit and talk with us, give us a direction, because election time is coming. They'll be here then.
We reached out to the township for a statement on.
Which is true. If you want to fight back against this, you gotta be active and local. You gotta be active. Because this can happen to anybody when the citizens are not paying attention.
On the rally, but didn't hear back. In Calumet City, I'm Regina Waldrop, NBC5 News.
Regina, thank you.
All right, so that's the latest. So the next thing on the docket. Where was it? It's like Karen Reed. Ugh. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I actually feel like I should not have looked into this case before the trial started, because I'm going to be honest. I feel like I have put a bias on myself that it's hard for me to shake off. As I really wanted to come into this completely, ignorant, at the same level as a juror would. And it sucks because, that's what I want to say first. And that's not to say, like I'm having second thoughts about my initial assessments. It's just that I would rather be able to look at this from purely a fresh lens, and not to have preconceptions about the defense, the prosecution, Karen Reed, the judge, etc. I don't. So anyway, I watched a little bit today. This morning with one of the paramedics that was there. But where was it? Hold on. Bleh. One second. The fan of death. So I heard testimony from this. I kind of want to talk about this little snippet here and my thoughts on it.
It's a picture of me. We don't.
Diagonal closer to Miss Reed is
A police officer.
Do you know that officer's name, by the way?
I don't know his name.
Okay. Your Honor, with that, I would ask that this be marked as next in order.
Okay, is there any objection?
No objection.
So we are going to remark these exhibits today because of the problems that I indicated at sidebar.
So she was there on the scene that night.
And you've heard numbers 1, 3, 309, 205. This.
I want to get to where the defense.
Sorry, say that again?
Sure. This is a moment in time. It captures a moment in time when you're standing there. To your right is Karen Reed, which you've described.
This is Cross, by the way. This is Cross because this is she's a state's witness.
To your left is a civilian female.
And the major piece that she has is that she testified that Karen Reed allegedly heard Karen Reed. She testified that she heard Karen Reed say, "I hit him. I hit him. I hit him."
Which you've described, and across from you is an officer, which you've also described.
Yes.
So this would be the time or close in time to the time that you heard the statement that you attribute to Ms. Reed, correct?
Yes.
The first time you ever made that official report, or an official report to law enforcement regarding that statement was January 30th, 2022, correct?
Well, yes and no. The statement was made in front of the police officer, so that would technically be the first time that statement was made to a police officer in my presence. And then, yes, I testified to it on January 30th, as you said.
You said it on January 30th. You weren't testifying under oath, correct?
Okay. Said it.
Okay.
Yes.
My question was really, and I appreciate you clarifying, my question was really the first time you actually told this statement to any law enforcement officer was on January 30th.
Yes.
Okay, we can take that down. That was when you met with Trooper Michael Proctor, correct?
Yes.
Obviously, that was very close in time to the event. It was the next day. Is that right?
Yes.
The events were close.
The 29th. Yeah. So it would be the next day.
Right, 29th, 30th.
Yep.
Okay. The events were fresh in your mind at that time?
Yes.
You obviously knew about the importance of that interview. You knew that it dealt with a police officer who had passed?
I knew it was important to talk to the police about what I heard.
And you wanted to be accurate?
Yes.
You wanted to be as detailed as you possibly could?
Yes.
And you understand that memories, obviously, they get a little worse with time, not better with time, right?
Sure.
The closer in time you are to the event, the fresher your memory is going to be about the details of that event. You would agree with that, right?
Sure.
You told Trooper Proctor the day after the event, on January 30th, that the statement that you attribute to my client was actually made to the female, not to you in response to your questioning. That's what you told Trooper Proctor, correct?
I don't have those notes in front of me, so I don't know that I can tell you that that's correct, but the statement was made in response to my question. However, the Miss Reed was looking at the civilian woman as she said that.
Does it refresh your recollection that
don't read what you think refreshes a recollection. You can show or you cannot read it. Yes.
Take a look. Highlight it.
So refreshing recollection. 1 second. Hold on. I gotta move. All right, I was gonna get a cat, but Winston ran away from me, and Mike was napping, and I didn't want to bother him.
And look up when you're finished.
Oh yeah. So refreshing recollection is an exception to the hearsay rule, where you can allow a witness to look at a document that would normally not be admissible, to kind of look and kind of refresh their memory about a situation, about what they said and what they heard and what they saw. So part of that, you're not supposed to like completely reread the report. It's supposed to allow you to glance and say, "Oh yeah, of course, that's what happened," or that's what I said. Because most of us people like, so I think the reasoning behind it is because a lot of times, a lot of people are able to tie their memory to objects or sounds. Like, for example, if you have a certain song that happened, that was playing at the same time of a major event, when you hear that song, 3 years later, your mind is going to remember that event a lot more clearly when you hear that song. You're going to recollect that happened. So part of that is like being able to look at the document, and you're able to see, oh, okay, this is what now I kind of recall what happened. It allows the witness to kind of get like I said, refresh the recollection of what transpired, but they're not supposed to like line by line read the document so they can get everything straight.
Okay.
May I?
Sure.
Yes.
Does that refresh your recollection about what you told Trooper Proctor on January 30th?
Yes.
And you told Trooper Proctor,
No,
quote,
let her.
in terms
Hold on. I'll see you inside.
Associative memory. Okay. Yeah. Sidebar.
May I, Your Honor?
Yes.
In fact, what she told Trooper Proctor was, quote, Karen then turned to her friend and stated, I hit him, I hit him, I hit him, I hit him. Any quote. Correct?
Okay.
Is that yes?
Yes. If you're saying that's in quotation marks in the in that, then yes.
That's what's in the report.
Okay.
And I'm not, you don't have to agree with me. I'm asking yes or no questions. Not okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So in fact, what you told Trooper Proctor was that Karen Reed looked at the female to your left and said 4 times, I hit him, I hit him, I hit him, I hit him. Correct?
Yes.
And have you since learned that the name or identity of the female that was standing to your left?
No.
You're aware that the female that was standing to your left reported the exact same statement?
No.
Are you aware that the female standing to your left reported that exact same statement as, could I have hit him? Did I hit him? Did I hit him?
No, I'm not aware of that.
You then went back to the ambulance after you heard that.
So that I think that's what the defense is trying to get at. They're trying to get at whether and trying to go after her with this testimony. This is what I kind of deduced, is that the defense is trying to challenge whether or not Karen Reed said I hit him, I hit him, I hit him, I hit him as a definitive statement of fact, if she's saying that she did it, or was she saying or was he saying it as a form of a question? I hit him, like that kind of thing, like the way because yeah, like you could say like I killed that guy versus I killed that guy. That's the tone of voice is going to convey something completely different depending on the tone of the voice and the inflection in your voice. I think that's what the defense is trying to get at here.
Statement that you believed you heard my client state.
Yes.
You opened the ambulance door, correct?
Yes.
That was the back door?
The side door.
The side door. And there were two firefighter paramedics in that ambulance at the time, correct?
I believe there were more than 2 at that time.
2 of them included firefighter Nuttall and firefighter Flamant.
Yes.
And at that point, you told them what you believed you had just heard.
So I went into the back of the ambulance. I said, this is his name, this is his date of birth. She says he doesn't have any medical history or allergies, doesn't take daily medications. And then I said, she's saying I hit him. And firefighter Nuttall motioned to his face and said something.
Ask another question.
So the answer to my question is yes, you told in front of Flamati and Nuttall the phrase, I hit him.
Yes.
Did you write that in any report?
I don't write a report in this scenario of my job.
Let her finish the answer, please.
So there are 2 people that will write reports in my department on a call. One being the lead paramedic and the other being the officer who's on scene. So those are the people that write reports, and I was neither of those, so I did not write that in a report.
Yeah,
that's correct.
Sean, exactly.
You didn't write it in any report?
No.
You didn't write it in any notes?
No.
You didn't document that statement in any way whatsoever, correct?
Other than my interview with Proctor and my subsequent testimony.
You didn't document that statement in any way yourself, did you?
No.
Since January 30th, in that conversation that we just talked about with Trooper Proctor, your statement has evolved. Is that right?
I don't know how to answer that.
You testified yesterday to something quite different.
Not quite different.
Than what you testified, than what you stated to Trooper Proctor.
Respectfully, I think my testimony has been pretty consistent.
You testified to something yesterday quite different in context than what you told Trooper Proctor. Isn't that right?
I don't know that that's right.
Well, you told Trooper Proctor, Karen Reed looked
He's saying you told something quite different.
at a female standing to your left and said, I hit him, I hit him, I hit him, I hit him. Right?
Yes.
Yesterday, you told these jurors that Karen Reed said, I hit him, and an officer said, you what? And she repeated, I hit him, and the officer immediately turned and went to find another sergeant.
Um,
Is that right or no? Yes or no?
no, there was more to that testimony.
That's
I
not what
think.
you said yesterday?
I think I said more than that, than what you just repeated.
Is what I said consistent with what you said yesterday? There's a lot of things that you said, more of. I'm asking, is that the sum and substance of what you told these jurors yesterday?
Yes.
So you would agree that from that time till yesterday, your story has evolved. It's changed.
So this is kind of where I'm like, yeah, I like the attorney is doing a good job by saying evolved. Evolved feels more weighty than changed. And I feel like the problem that I'm having here is that she was more descriptive, it sounds like, in her yesterday's testimony. Like, I hit him, but then I hit him, then turned to the cop. He said, "You what?" And said, "I hit him." So it's 2 times. And then she also referenced the police officer responding to Karen Reed's statement, alleged statement. But Jackson is here saying that according to the report that was made at the time, or at least the day after, she said, "I hit him, I hit him, I hit him, I hit him," like 4 times in an exclamation. I think that's what he's trying to get at, because I think he's trying to do the "I hit him." He's going to eventually try to establish that when she said, "I hit him, I hit him, I hit him," she was saying that in a form of a question, and so she's trying to impeach her testimony here by saying that you said something that could be interpreted much differently than what was allegedly stated in the report the day after the incident.
Would I agree with that?
No.
I don't know that I agree with that.
You think the story that you told Trooper Proctor is exactly the same
I understand what you're saying. So I understand what you're saying.
So has your story evolved?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Ms. McLaughlin, who's Caitlin Albert?
All right, so here we go. This is the meat of what I wanted to show for today. We're not going to go through the whole thing. I want to go through the little snippet that I saw today.
I went to high school with somebody named Caitlin Albert.
Somebody named Caitlin Albert.
I went to high school with somebody named Caitlin Albert.
So do you know Caitlin Albert?
I do.
You're friends with Caitlin Albert?
I would say more acquaintances, not close friends.
How do you describe an acquaintance?
I would say that we have mutual friends, so we might see each other occasionally because of mutual friends, but we don't have a one-on-one friendship or hang out regularly.
Who's her dad?
I don't know.
Objections.
Yep. Objection.
Her family is.
Objection.
Objection.
Yes.
Oh, there we go. So this is the start, or well, no, it's not the start. This is part of the defense's overall strategy here. Now the jury's being let out.
Minutes. Show them what you have, and let a court officer know when you're ready for me to come back out.
All rise for the court, please.
So now, Jackson, the defense attorney, is giving the prosecutor a handful of photographs. And what they're going to do is they're going to, out of the presence of the jury, they're going to ask questions of the paramedic. I apologize, I don't have her name memorized. Ask the paramedic questions about her relationship with Caitlin Albert. Caitlin Albert, I believe, is the daughter of Brian Albert, who was the owner of the house where this all took place. skipping ahead. Who the hell is Kaiser? All right.
All right, so Mr. Jackson, let's mark for identification the items that you told us
Mark.
about at sidebar.
Sorry, I don't mean to make fun of Boston accents, okay?
So they're not to be put up on the screen.
These are 4 items. One of them.
So don't describe them. I need to see them. So let's bring them up, mark them for identification, Madam Clerk. Then you'll get them back. But I need these marked for identification, and I need to see them. Thank you. So we'll mark them first. Mark them first. All right.
Well, if it's drama, I'm not interested.
Thank you. Mr. Parker.
So what they're going to do is they're...
We have 4 pieces of paper marked for identification that appear. You got these off of social media sites, Mr. Jackson?
That's correct.
Okay. When did you get these?
I couldn't tell you the exact date, but we probably have them for between 6 months and a year.
All right.
So he took photographs from social media sites, or I guess screenshots from social media websites.
And Commonwealth, you've not seen these before?
No, Your Honor.
Right. So we'll talk about Rule 14 in a little bit, but...
So Emily, I was watching this, I watched a little bit of this on Emily's channel, Emily D. Baker. And I was able to look up Rule 14. Rule 14 deals with discovery. And Rule 14, I can't remember the specific section. There's a section in Rule 14 called continuing obligation. Hold on. Oh wait, it's right here. Let me just pull it up. Where is it? Continuing duty to disclose. Yeah. Where if that if additional evidence is being brought in, it's on the duty of the defense or the prosecution to give notify the party of the acquisition of it, and shall disclose. Part 4. If either the defense or the prosecution subsequently learns of additional material which it would have been under a duty to disclose or produce pursuant to any provisions of this rule at the time of any previous discovery order, it shall promptly notify the other party of its acquisition and such additional material, and shall disclose the material in the same manner as required for initial discovery under this rule. Wait a minute. If he had this for 6 months to a year, why is he only bringing it in now? But for now, what they're going to try and do is lay a foundation to whether or not to bring these photographs in, because he's going to try and impeach the witness here.
We'll bring the witness in. You can ask her questions, Mr. Jackson, about her vacation that you mentioned, the drinking that you talked about, the relationship with Ms. Albert, I've forgotten the first name already, and Caitlin, and about the house. So you can ask her questions about that, and let's see, you can show her these exhibits or these marked for identification if you need to. You may have trouble actually getting those into evidence, but I'm going to let you find out. You can ask her to identify them, how long ago they were, things like that.
Thank you.
All right, could we bring in Ms. McLaughlin, please? Yes. And Commonwealth, you just saw these today. I'm sorry, I don't remember if I asked you that.
Yes, and yes.
And you were objecting that, you objected to sidebar that these come in at all?
Correct.
Okay. Oh, here's the fourth one, I'm sorry. Mr. Jackson, here's the last one. All right, so Ms. McLaughlin, Mr. Jackson's going to be allowed to ask you questions outside the presence of the jury, and you're still under oath and you have to answer them truthfully, okay? Okay.
Ms. McLaughlin, when just briefly as a predicate, when you stepped out, I just want to make sure we're very clear. Did you have a conversation with anybody from the Commonwealth between the time you walked out of court and just now?
Just about if I needed a drink of water or to use the restroom.
Okay, but nothing about the substance of your testimony?
No.
Ms. McLaughlin, I asked you before we broke if you know who Caitlin Albert is.
Yes.
You said that you went to high school with somebody by that name, correct?
Yes.
You, in fact, know that person as a friend, correct?
I know her.
She's more than an acquaintance.
I would say she's.
Again, the jury is not here. The jury is not here right now. The questioning is going to determine whether or not Jackson can bring these in for the jury to see it, as well as to use it during testimony.
An acquaintance. She's not a close friend.
Is she in a group of friends of yours?
We have mutual friends.
How long have you known her?
Probably since high school.
When you say, and I don't want to ask your age, I wouldn't do that. How many years? How long of a span of years have you known her?
Since high school, so maybe 10.
And you know her family, generally?
I don't.
You don't know anything about her family?
I don't know her family.
Have you ever been to her house?
Not that I recall ever being there.
Not that you recall, or you haven't? There's two different things.
I don't recall ever being there.
Okay, so you might have been there, you just don't recall.
I don't recall ever being there.
Okay. If I were to ask you if you have ever been to her house, yes or no, you cannot answer that because you don't know. You cannot recall, correct?
I would say I would lean towards no. I have no recollection of ever being at her house.
Are you friends with her on social media?
Yes.
May I approach her on that?
Yes.
I'm just going to leave all four of these up here. I know what they look like. Can you do me a favor and take a look at the first document? What does that document appear to be?
It says Caitlin's friends.
What does it look like? That's a printout of.
I'm sorry?
What does that look like it's a printout of? Does that look like it's from Facebook or one of the social media apps?
Yeah, I don't know exactly. Some social media.
Okay.
So this is the problem that I'm having here is she's really doing her best to try and distance herself, and it doesn't look good for her. I mean, I feel like I could be wrong. I don't really go on Facebook a lot, but I feel like Facebook has such a I don't want to, I guess not a unique, but a relatively, unique look that if you're going to look at somebody's friends list, you could probably be able to say whether or not it's Facebook. Number one. Number two, she should have answered that question that he asked that said, so you cannot say you weren't there because you could not recall, and if she said yes, then that simply goes, that's a consistent statement that she said previously. The fact that she took so long and then tried to couch in, I would lean more towards no. It again doesn't look good.
Under Caitlin's friends, do you see your handle, for lack of a better phrase?
I do.
Okay. Is that you?
Yes.
Okay. Can you look at the next photograph?
all that being said, being Facebook friends doesn't mean a damn thing. Okay. I think I probably have like 300 or 400 Facebook friends, but no, I consider I would probably only have what I would consider to be 4 people that I would say are close friends of mine at best.
Before we talk about that next photograph, which is, I should go in order for the record, Your Honor. The first one was H. Before we talk about I, which is the next photograph, how long have you been social media friends, quote, friends with Caitlin Albert?
I don't know.
More than 5 years?
Probably.
More than 8 years?
I don't know.
The second photograph, or the second document appears to be a photograph. It's I, is that right?
Yes.
Do you see yourself in that photograph?
I do.
Do you see Caitlin in that photograph?
I do.
When was that photograph taken?
I have no idea.
Where was that photograph taken?
I don't know.
You have no idea how long ago that was?
I don't.
What was the event that was depicted, or that is depicted in that photograph?
I don't know.
Is that local, or was that on a trip somewhere?
I don't know. Probably local. If it's a beach, I don't remember. I've never been away like to a beach on vacation with all of these people, so probably local.
When we say local, let's talk about local. I don't mean we may have different definitions. Where would that be? What beach? I'm not as familiar with the location.
I'm not sure.
Maybe on the Cape?
Possibly.
Do you recognize some of the other folks in that photograph?
I do.
Matter of fact, there's a lot of people in that photograph, right?
There's a lot of people in it.
Did you take a trip with all those people at some point in the past?
Take a trip.
To the beach.
Did I go to the beach at some point with these people? Yes.
Okay. When did you go to the beach with all those folks?
I don't know. I don't know when this picture is from. It seems old to me, but.
Well, you can see yourself. I mean,
yeah.
What was that? Did you say it seems old to you?
Yeah, to me. Okay. This isn't like a recent to me.
how old do you think that photograph is?
I don't know. It could be around high school. I'm not sure.
And I know Mr. Jackson didn't want to ask you how old you are. When did you get out of high school?
2014.
Okay.
I graduated.
So could that have been
So 10 years.
2014?
God, I definitely feel old.
It could be.
So you've known Caitlin for at least that long.
Yeah.
And when I say travel, I mean travel outside of Canton. You've gone places with her, correct?
Yes.
You've posed for photographs with her.
Yes.
With other folks.
Yes.
It's like socializing and partying, correct?
Do I trim my own beard or get it done professionally? I do my best to trim, but usually I get my beard cleaned up when I get a haircut.
Looks like socializing.
Maybe a small vacation.
I've never been on vacation with a big group of people like this.
Well, that doesn't look like a, what would you call that? That's not like a mini vacation.
A day at the beach?
A day at the beach, okay. So maybe.
Yeah, so I feel like this is where I feel like Jackson is really starting his best to reach, because he's really pushing this idea that her and Caitlin are good friends. The reason why he's trying to push it is so that it could corroborate this grand narrative that not everybody, but a lot of people were involved in covering up the real perpetrator of the crime, which I assume they're going to fully allege is like the Alberts or them. And he's trying to do that by making sure that most of the witnesses were substantially related to the true perpetrators. So he's really trying his best to go in and say that, oh no, actually you were like besties with Caitlin Albert. But he's basing it off of these photos, one of being a Facebook friend, which really doesn't say a damn thing, and two, having a day at the beach with a group of people, especially when you're a senior in high school, isn't really saying much either, especially when it's a large group, and a large group will tend to have friends of friends going there.
A day vacation.
Sure.
Okay. Let's look at the next photograph. Jay. May I approach, Your Honor?
Yes.
I do need to remind myself. That photograph looks a little older, correct?
They both look old to me. I don't know when they're from.
I'm going to ask you the same questions about that. These aren't trick questions. I don't want to waste your time. What's that from?
I don't remember specifically what or where this is.
Do you see yourself in that photograph?
I do.
Do you see Caitlin in the photograph?
I do.
You're all posing for the camera, correct?
Yes.
What's the location?
I don't know.
No idea.
Break, break.
This is yet another socializing event with Caitlin that you can't recall.
I don't know where this is
Is that
exactly.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to step on your words. Go ahead.
I don't know where this is exactly.
So you've had so many socializing events with Caitlin and other folks.
So many? Two. So many. That's, see.
You can't pinpoint this one as opposed to any of the others that you've had.
No, I'm saying I can't. These photos are old. I don't know. I don't remember where these were or the circumstances around them. That's what I'm saying.
You see how you're dressed in that photo?
Yes.
You see how you see the other friends that are there with you?
Yeah.
How many people would you estimate are in that photo?
Do you want me to count how many people?
Give me it. I don't have a photo in front of me, so just give me it. Is it more than 5?
12.
Also, why didn't you make copies? Why didn't you make copies of this for Jackson? Why do you only have one copy?
Do you recognize those dozen people?
I do.
Did you go on a day trip with those dozen people?
Yeah, possibly.
When?
I don't know.
Where?
I'm sorry. I don't know. I don't remember.
How many times have you gone on day trips with those dozen people?
I don't know.
How about turning back to photograph I? How many times have you gone on day trips and socialized with those number of people? Which looks like probably double that, 20 or 25 people.
I don't know.
That's a big group of friends of yours that includes Caitlin Albert, right?
A big group of mutual friends.
So it's not just that she's a mutual friend, she's a friend. Isn't that right?
Yeah, I don't.
As I said before, I would consider myself more of an acquaintance. We have mutual friends. I wouldn't consider her a close friend, but yeah, I mean that would be my answer.
You basically grew up with her, went to high school with her.
I didn't grow up with her. I went to high school with her.
Yeah, so see, the Jackson's really trying to sneak in, kind of, I don't want to say sneak in, but he's really trying to sneak in. Oh, you grew up together, you went to the same high school, and you had so many social outings with her, too, with a large group.
When I say grow up with her, I mean you grew up in the same town as her, right?
Grew up in the same town.
Went to the same high school as she did.
Yes.
Socialized with the same friends as she did.
Yes.
Went on day trips with her.
Yes.
And apparently have all the same friend group, right?
I don't know that we have all the same friend group. These are.
You have mutual friends. This doesn't mean you're in the same social circle.
People that we're both friends with.
But you don't consider her anything more than just an acquaintance.
I think I described it to you.
The answer to my question is you don't consider her to be anything more than an acquaintance.
I wouldn't consider her to be a close friend.
Now let's take a look at the last photograph. Describe what's in that photograph.
It's a picture of me. Caitlin is in it, and seems to be other people in it as well.
May I approach?
Yes.
Those 3.
Both of you can take it. Sorry, I just want to drop it on you. That's a close-up photograph of who?
Caitlin, and I'm also in it.
And you're doing what in the photograph as it relates to Caitlin?
It seems like I'm kind of kneeling down next to her.
Touching her?
Can I see that for just a minute, please? Thank you. I'm sorry, can you show me you? Okay.
So just for the record, may I approach one more time?
Yes.
Thank you. Take a look at that.
He needs to refresh his recollection.
Just behind Caitlin in that photograph?
Yes.
Caitlin's the one drinking the beer?
Yes.
You got your right arm around her?
Yes.
You both appear to be wearing swimwear?
Yes.
Bathing suits?
Yes.
And you're giving some sort of sign with your left hand?
No, I'm not.
Is that somebody else?
Sign.
Maybe that's Caitlin.
Okay, symbol.
I
Uh-oh.
don't have the photograph in front of me. I don't have it committed to memory. Looks like that's a photograph that you and Caitlin posed for together.
Just playing the circle game.
It seems like it's a close-up of a bigger, like a picture. It seems to be zoomed in on a group of people.
Which was posted on social media.
Okay.
Is that right?
Okay.
Are you telling me that?
I'm asking you that. Have you ever seen that?
I don't see the problem. See, Emily caught this, and she's completely correct. He's not asking the real question here. Did you upload these photos? Yes or no? Were you tagged in these photos? Yes or no? Did you know that you were tagged in these photos? Yes or no? Like, because he doesn't establish that at all, and I think Emily is correct that this raises a foundational question against bringing this in. It would be a lot more damning against her if he was able to say that this is off of your Facebook page. But he doesn't say that. It's clear that this is off of somebody else's Facebook, somebody else's account looking at these photos of Caitlin and Albert and this individual, this paramedic. So so there's going to be there's an issue here.
That posted on social media.
I don't recall seeing this picture, but if it was on social media, then okay.
How long ago was that picture taken?
I don't know.
Who took the picture?
I don't know.
How would she know? You don't see. See, he's asking you these foundational questions, and she's saying, "I don't know. I don't know. I don't know." So because he says, "I don't know," it's going to be hard for him to bring this in or allow this in. There's no foundation.
Where were you when the photograph was taken?
Probably at a beach if we're wearing bathing suits.
Probably at a beach or at a beach?
Well, I can't see a beach in the picture. We're in bathing suits. It could be at a beach.
Right. Do you recognize the bathing suit that you're wearing in the photograph?
No.
You literally don't even recognize your own outfit?
No.
So that doesn't help define where you were and when that photograph was taken?
No, sir.
Do any of these photographs remind you that you've been to Caitlin's house at some point?
Or a pool party?
No.
Has Caitlin ever been to your house?
Not to my recollection.
When was the last time you talked to Caitlin?
I don't remember exactly. It's probably been a few years.
When was the last time you went to an event, socializing event with Caitlin?
Again, I don't remember exactly.
Did you talk to Caitlin at any point on or around January 29th, 2022?
No.
When was the last time you had talked to Caitlin before January 29th, 2022?
I don't know.
Would it have been a day before, a week before, a month before?
No, I don't talk to her. Like I said, we're not like close friends, so it's like pretty.
Real quick. So my thing is, I was initially going to say that like there's going to be an effect in saying like I haven't talked to her in 3 years. While that can suggest that they aren't good friends, that's also not necessarily the case. So when I met with my two of my friends in Dallas last weekend, I'm gonna be honest. I before we were like the week before, I hadn't I barely talked to them. I really do. I'm being honest with that. I barely talked to them since I graduated high school, but I would still consider them to be among my closest friends. Now, I wouldn't cover up a murder for them, but I digress. So I feel like the time it takes between the last time you talk to somebody doesn't necessarily mean that they're not close friends. I just want to make that note.
infrequent that we would interact. So I don't know when the last time before that.
What about texting or Snapchatting or communicating in that way?
I don't remember.
Would it have been a week before the 29th?
I don't think so.
You don't think so, or you know so?
I don't think so.
What about after the 29th, after you responded to 34 Fairview? You ever have any communication with her?
Not that I can recall.
So is that something that you think you might remember if you responded to a house of a father where there's a police officer dead or dying on the yard, on the lawn, 30 feet from the front door? You might have had a conversation with Caitlin?
I've never had a conversation with Caitlin about that call or this case.
Did you ever contact any of your other friends about the fact that you responded to Caitlin's parents' house?
No.
Were you ever asked about this relationship that you had with Caitlin Albert, this friendship that you had with Caitlin Albert at or near the time of the 29th of January?
No.
Did you ever disclose to anybody that you had a relationship with Caitlin Albert at or around the time of this event?
No.
When you went to 34 Fairview, you knew that that was the Albert family home, correct?
No.
When did you learn that it was the Albert? You now know that.
I know that now.
When did you find out?
I don't know. I don't recall. It was some point after. It was, but I don't know when.
Would it have been the next day?
No.
You and firefighter Flamati and firefighter Nuttall were all discussing this case pretty intently after this event, correct?
No.
It's not that often in the little town of Canton that a police officer is found dead or dying on another police officer's lawn. Wouldn't you agree with that?
We responded to a medical call, so the conversation after the fact was at the hospital, debriefing the call, going over what happened, what we use for equipment, what we need, and just like that was the extent of the conversation.
Would you agree that this case, given its
So she's testifying that going into this, she knew nothing about the incident, as in who was the victim or anything like that. She's testifying that she was only there for a medical call, and not like homicide or foul play. It was like, so she testified she didn't know the details. She didn't know where the house was or who owned the house of the call. It's just like, hey, we got somebody, injured here. Come here.
notoriety is discussed at the fire station almost daily?
I don't know when I'm not there, but it does get brought up.
And obviously the fact that the house belonged at the time to the Albert family is part of that discussion.
I don't know. Like I said, it gets brought up, but I just avoid it. I don't engage in the conversations.
It was certainly enough of a subject matter that you learned.
Well, if she's going to be a witness, she shouldn't be talking about the case. If she knows that she's a witness.
To you, after the 29th, that house belongs to Brian Albert, Nicole Albert, parents of your friend Caitlin Albert, right?
Well, at that point, it was on the news consistently, so I don't know where that information was introduced, but
it was pretty early on after the 29th.
I don't recall when it was known that was the case.
I mean, you didn't learn that was the Albert family home last week.
No.
You've known it for going on 2.5 years.
I don't know exactly when I learned that was the house.
I realize you don't know exactly, Ms. McLaughlin. I'm not asking you the day you learned. I'm asking you, you've known this basically through the lifespan of this case.
At some point after I learned it.
Right. I'm just trying to figure out about how long after. A week after? A month after?
I'm not sure.
But it was more toward January 29th than it was yesterday, correct?
Correct.
Yeah, just a moment.
Yes.
One other couple of brief questions.
That is also true. Adam, I don't know if she knows that, but if she is aware that that's the defense's strategy, then Yeah, like I could see her being on the defensive because they're going to try and implicate her in this criminal conspiracy.
Do you know any of Caitlin's siblings?
No.
You don't know Brian Albert Jr.?
No.
You know of any of her extended family that might be a little closer in age to you, like Colin Albert?
No.
You ever met any of them?
Not that I recall.
Not that you recall, or no?
I don't remember meeting any of them.
Your Honor, that's all I have right now.
All right, Mr. Lally, any questions?
Sure. Just a few, Your Honor. So, Ms. McLaughlin, you're not friends with Caitlin Albert, correct?
I'm sorry.
You're not friends with Caitlin Albert, is that correct?
I would say she's an acquaintance, not a close friend.
Yeah, you were shown some photos.
So she's at least remained consistent. So at least she remains consistent in how she would characterize her relationship with Caitlin. If I was a jury, I'd be wondering why theirs was testimony we couldn't hear. Well, a juror's not supposed to draw inferences from that. I know it's hard to do that, but they're not supposed to do that.
Photographs of you in a fairly large group with Caitlin Albert, correct?
Yes.
You don't know when those were, correct?
I don't know exactly.
You don't know where you were when those were taken, correct?
No, not exactly. They seem old.
And just back up, you knew her in high school, but you weren't friends in high school, correct?
I would categorize our relationship as always being just acquaintances. I knew her. We had some mutual friends, but we were never close friends. We don't have a one-on-one relationship.
And as far as high school versus post-high school, would you see her more so during high school, the high school years, or after you graduated?
Good question.
Well, probably more in high school just because you're there every day. But then afterwards, yeah, it was only here and there. Like I said, like mutual friends. So maybe events for mutual friends, I might run into her.
And to be clear, and I think you made reference to it, but that last photograph that's marked as K, that seems to be a cropped or sort of zoomed in of a larger photo. Is that right?
Yeah. Yes.
Now, as far as each of those photos you were shown, you're present in a photo with Caitlin Albert in a much larger group, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Have you ever hung out or socialized with Caitlin Albert outside of the setting of a large group?
No.
You've never been to her house?
That's also a good question. Like, have you ever associated with Caitlin Albert outside of a large friend group being in attendance? Because if it was with a small group of friends, or just her, that would convey a far more intimate relationship.
Of January 29th that you know, correct?
Correct.
She's never been to your house that you know of, correct?
Correct.
Never been to each other's houses. Or that she can't recall ever going to her house. I think that's what she said.
Now, as far as that first one, as far as social media is concerned, as far as the friends list, and without sort of doing it, I'm sort of putting that in air quotes. How many friends would you say you have on social media in total?
I don't know. Maybe over 500. I don't know.
And of those 500 people, how many of those 500 people would you consider actual friends?
All right, now I'm curious.
Much less than that. Less than 10.
All right, why don't we wrap this up, Mr. Lally?
Sure. Just when it comes to that day that you responded, you're working with the fire department, you responded to a call on January 29th to a home, or as you say, to somewhere on the side of the road. Did you have any idea whose house that was adjacent to where the treatment was concerned with regard to your patient, Ms. Rosen?
No.
I know.
Okay. All right. So there was an objection that this was in violation of Rule 14 to admit these.
Give me 1 second. I'm actually curious. How many friends do I have total? Can I not even see the number? Oh, there it is. I have 605 friends. There you go.
These exhibits, Mr. Lally, that's what you said, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I agree. So the exhibits don't come in.
So, yeah.
But based on this voir dire and the answers, I'm going to give you some leeway on exactly what you did. Okay, the relationship, the socialization, and the extent of it, friends on social media, those areas. You didn't quite get everything that you mentioned at sidebar you thought you'd get. So that's not coming in.
So
if you
stay within the parameters.
So why don't you come over here then? Just because.
Okay, so that's the so she's kind of threading the kind of splitting the baby here. He's not allowed to bring in the photos for the jury to see, but he is allowed to cross her on the nature of her relationship with Caitlin Albert in front of the jury. I know murder courtroom isn't your thing, but is that normal having 600 plus items of evidence? I'm sure it varies, but is that like low end, typical, huge? I honestly couldn't tell you, Linux. I really don't know. I actually don't know.
If you all think they're right outside the door, you're mistaken.
Please be seated.
Jury's back.
Jimmy, do you have any envelopes over there?
I do. Do you need any more? I'll work on it.
You know what? No, this is the river.
All right.
Jesus, Thank you.
Right, the jury is underneath the camera. You can't see them. The people that you're seeing across the court are members of the gallery. And or press, I guess. To be honest, I don't know why the hell did they not find a larger courtroom for this?
I'm okay. Thank you.
Correct, Adam. They only need to have that little scintilla of reasonable doubt to get through it. They don't have to definitively prove that somebody else did it. Ah, that's right. They said that the larger courtroom blocked the jury's jurors' view of the witnesses. That's true. God, can't talk today. Why is this at a high speed? What the hell? Oh, now they're coming back in. What the hell was that before? It was a misfire.
We try and do it as quickly as we can. It's in an effort to make sure that what you see
Hey, I'll just...
in here in this case is appropriate for you to see in here. So sometimes we spend a little time now that will save us a lot of time later. So we do appreciate your patience.
Mayor,
yes.
Thank you. Ms. McLaughlin, thank you for your patience. When we last left off, I was asking you about your relationship with Caitlin Albert. You recall that?
Yes.
I want to ask you a few more questions about that. You and Caitlin Albert have known each other for how long?
Since high school.
Which is, give me a span of time.
So, probably about 10 years.
You have traveled with Caitlin Albert and friends. When I say traveled, I don't mean to exotic locations. I mean day trips, etc.
Yes.
you have a group of mutual friends together, correct?
We have mutual friends, correct?
Those mutual friends have gone on day trips with you and Caitlin Albert involved?
Correct.
On more than one occasion, as a matter of fact?
Correct.
On many occasions, as a matter of fact?
I don't know.
More than 5?
I don't know.
More than 10?
I don't know.
You've seen photographs of you with Caitlin Albert on some of these day trips, correct?
So this is Emily saw this, and damn, it's very weaselly but very, very effective that he's communicating to the jury that there are photos, even though they can't see them. He's telling the jury that there are photos out there.
Yes.
You've seen at least 3 of those photographs.
Yes.
You're friends with Caitlin Albert on social media?
Yes.
Other than the 3 photographs that you've seen, we just talked about, there have been other events that you've been at with Caitlin Albert that weren't necessarily photographed, or we don't have those photographs, correct?
Probably.
You know that Caitlin Albert is the same Caitlin Albert that's the daughter of Brian and Nicole Albert, as you sit here.
Yes, as I sit here today, yes.
And you know that Caitlin Albert also has siblings, Brian Albert Jr., correct?
As I sit here today, yes, I know that.
And you also know, as you sit here today, that 34 Fairview was, at the time of January 29th, 2022, the Albert home, correct?
I know that as of today.
You indicated, let me rephrase that. When you showed up at 34 Fairview that morning, did you recognize that address or recognize the home as being that of Caitlin Albert's?
No.
You have since learned that that was Caitlin Albert's home.
As I know that now.
Right. And you gave your original statement to Trooper Proctor the next day.
Yes.
And from that day to this day, or let's take yesterday, from that day to yesterday, you learned that 34 Fairview was the Canton Albert family home, correct?
You're asking if I know from...
Between those 2 dates.
Yes.
Between the time you spoke with Trooper Proctor in this report till yesterday when you testified, you now know that that's the Albert home.
Yes.
And you also indicated that between that report that you gave to Trooper Proctor, that statement that you gave to Trooper Proctor, and yesterday's testimony, your statement has evolved. You've already admitted that, correct?
I don't think I agreed with you on that.
It's changed? It's different?
I've always testified to I feel as though my testimony has been consistent.
I appreciate how you might feel. I'm just interested in the actual facts. You didn't tell Trooper Proctor.
She sounds very nervous and very cagey. It's not real. I'm not gonna lie. It's not a good look.
Anything about this officer questioning my client.
But the thing is, being nervous can also convey, something, negative feelings too, or negative impressions as well.
Objection.
Oh, that's right.
Questioning my client. Correct?
Objection.
Wait, hold on.
I've always testified to I feel as though my testimony has been consistent.
I appreciate how you might feel. I'm just interested in the actual facts. You didn't tell Trooper Proctor anything about this officer questioning my client. Correct?
Objection.
So I'm going to see counsel at sidebar because I think this morphed into a different.
Yeah. So because he's trying to move. He's trying to move forward because he's now going beyond the relationship, and he's trying to go back to the meat of the testimony. Yeah, he did Ben Shapiro her.
You agree, Mr. McLaughlin, that the statement that you gave to Trooper Proctor is not the same as the statement that you gave to these jurors yesterday, right?
Yes.
just a moment.
Yes.
A couple of other questions. When you did make this statement to Trooper Proctor, your visit to Canton PD was coordinated by another officer to put you and Trooper Proctor together for the interview, correct?
Here we go.
I don't recall that.
Do you recall being contacted by a completely different officer to say, hey, Trooper Proctor wants to talk to you, come on into Canton PD, let's have an interview?
I don't remember exactly how the interview was set up.
So that was my next question. You may have just told me this. Do you have any recollection who set that interview up?
I don't.
Does the name Kevin Albert sound familiar?
No.
You know Kevin Albert?
No.
You know him to be a police officer at Canton PD?
No.
You know him to be the brother of Brian Albert?
No.
The objection system.
Objection. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, he's trying to, again, this is all part of the defense's strategy. He's trying to say that Kevin Albert is a police officer who tried to set her up with an interview with Proctor, who they are going to impeach as well. Or maybe they already have. I don't know if Proctor actually testified yet. I don't know. But he's trying to say that the Alberts have their fingers all over this, and that's why they're trying to push that. But I think he went a bit too far here.
Sustained.
That's all I have, Your Honor.
Okay. Lally, any redirect?
Proctor hasn't testified. Okay.
So, Firefighter McLaughlin, you went to high school with Caitlin F., correct?
Yes.
And could you describe the nature of your relationship, if any, with Caitlin?
I would describe it as we're not close friends. I would say we're more acquaintances. We have mutual friends. I don't have a one-on-one relationship with her.
And you were asked some questions about social media, correct?
Yes.
And if you could, or if you could guesstimate about how many friends, and I'm sort of throwing air quotes in there, how many friends on social media would you have?
Friends.
Probably 500.
And of those probably 500 friends on social media, how many of those are actual friends that you talk to, interact with beyond social media?
Much less than that.
Now, prior to, let me ask you this, as far as...
Which is a good question.
Would you say that you saw Caitlin Albert more so when you were in high school, or more so since you have graduated from high school?
I would say probably more in high school because we were there every day, so.
And about what year or so was it that you graduated from high school?
2014.
And as far as any sort of photographs that were referenced to you, have you seen those photographs?
Here?
Yes.
Here today, I saw them.
Do you have any idea where or when those photographs were taken?
I don't remember.
And of those photographs, it's not just you and Caitlin Albert in a photograph, is that correct?
Correct.
So a larger group of people, is that correct?
Correct.
When you were asked about sort of these day trips, they were sort of trips specifically on a day to a beach, it looks like, correct?
Correct.
And to a beach with a larger group of people, is that correct?
Correct.
And with reference to Caitlin Albert specifically, have you ever socialized with her in any setting beyond a setting that contained a large group of people?
No.
Now,
Also good questions. Again, making sure that the jury knows that she's Facebook friends, they're friends of friends. The photos that they're talking about of are large group gatherings. So it doesn't necessarily mean that she's a close friend of the Alberts.
with respect to, you went to, you say high school, you graduated from Canton High School, correct?
Correct.
And you grew up in Canton, is that correct?
Yes.
And did you know Caitlin Albert before you attended Canton High School?
No, that's probably when we first really interacted with high school.
And essentially, you live within the town you work within the town that you grew up, correct?
Correct.
And is that abnormal from a civil service perspective?
No, from a civil service perspective, you're given more points for residency, so it's actually, I would say, preferred, or you're placed higher on the list if you have residency in that town.
Also, a good question that the fact that this is a small town or relatively small town that you stay here and be chosen as civil service means that she's going to know a lot of other people that she went to high school with. That doesn't necessarily make them friends if she's make them friends.
So it's actually preferred and more common than uncommon as far as growing up in a town and then working in that same town in a civil service position like a firefighter.
Yes.
Now, during the course of the time that you've been on the Canton Fire Department, have you received calls to residencies or other places or even patients that you either knew or were familiar with?
Yes.
And would that be a reason for you to not want to call?
No.
And you have an obligation, wouldn't you say, to respond to a call when a call is made and you're on duty in that station house, correct?
Yes.
The objection sustained. Ask the question differently.
As far as when you're on duty as a firefighter at a particular station house and you get a call, what, if any, choice do you have to respond to any particular call?
I don't have a choice. I just have to respond to the call.
And then prior to that date of January 29th, had you ever been over through socialization or otherwise Caitlin Albert's house?
Not that I ever remember.
Had she ever been over your house?
No.
And again, had you ever socialized with her outside of a large group of people?
No.
When you responded on that morning, just after 6 a.m., the house of 34 Fairview Road, did you know who lived there?
No.
During the time since January 29th of 2022, have you ever spoken to Caitlin Albert about what happened that morning in front of 34 Fairview Road?
No.
Now, you were asked some questions on cross-examination about knowing sort of Caitlin Albert's parents' names or siblings' names or things of that, correct?
Right.
And prior to January 29th, you didn't know any of those names, is that correct?
No.
You learned of them subsequently, is that correct?
Yes.
May we approach this briefly?
Okay.
I think this is almost done.
So, Ms. McLaughlin, you learned of those other people's names within the Albert family subsequent to your response to this call on January 29th, is that correct?
Yes.
And you learned of those through sort of various news or media reports in relation to this case, not something that you had any conversations with anybody about, correct?
Correct.
I have nothing further.
All right.
Your Honor, if I may.
Okay. Okay.
You indicated, Ms. McLaughlin, Mr. Lally just asked you about these 500 friends on social media. A couple of quick questions about that. Of those 500 friends on social media, how many of those have you taken day trips with?
I don't know.
How many of those have you gone to the beach with?
I don't know.
How many of those have you posed for photographs with?
I don't know.
How many of those have you posed for photographs in swimwear with?
I don't know.
How many of those have you been photographed with your arm around while that other friend is drinking a beer?
Sustained.
Objection. Yeah, Jackson's trying too hard, man. She already doesn't look the best because of her very defensive responses, but he's trying way too hard.
Ms. McLaughlin, all of those things that I just mentioned, you have done with Ms. Caitlin Albert.
Objection, Your Honor.
Sustained.
That's all I have.
Okay. All right, Firefighter McLaughlin, you are all set.
Hey guys, look, it's my E. Hi.
All right, jurors, we are getting ready to go for our view. So we're about to visit a place which you'll be hearing about some more. You've heard about, you've seen photographs of, and in court terminology, we call this a view. The purpose of the view is to help you better to understand.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, they all took a field trip to view the site of the murder. But I only just wanted to show this bit, just to give you guys a sense of that. All right, now we're gonna move on to more lighthearted, more fun stuff. All right, we're gonna go to some body cam footage that I thought were pretty interesting. I'll give you 1 second. I'll give you 1 second to put get it ready, and then I need to go to the restroom right quick. And yeah, at least one of them is another Florida woman, but not this one. Here we go.
$50 drunk underage teen.
All right. 1 second. I'll be right back. Meanwhile, my Eek is still hanging out here. What, kitty? Yeah. You're being a kitty. Stop it. All right, back. All right, let's get ready, folks. This is happening. Wait. There's a new lacrosse video? We have new lacrosse lore? I don't know about this. I might have to watch that as well. All right, let's watch this madness.
Teenagers just fled this party when these officers arrived. The aftermath that follows gets extremely intense.
You guys kind of came at the wrong time.
When was the right time? I'm not doing it the wrong thing.
How's it going? Whose house? The owner's inside.
Graduation party?
We all just graduated a couple weeks ago. Came together for this.
From high school?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks like an underage party is what.
So right off the bat, we got this dude snitching. All right, you just admitted to this high school graduation party. Well,
What's going on?
Not true.
Okay.
This is a graduation party.
For high school?
you can't take the toothpaste out of the tube, man. The cat's out of the bag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, well, we just graduated.
From high school?
No.
Okay.
We
He just
met in
told me.
college.
He just told me it's high school graduation.
So, a few of them are.
Okay.
I've graduated. This is my house.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're hosting this party?
I am.
You supplied this liquor?
Got a.
And now he's destroying himself. He's admitting to supplying underage kids with liquor. That's gonna get you hooked up. Moron.
Bit out of control. People came, but
Yeah.
you know,
Looks like it. There was a lot of people here when we first showed up.
yeah.
Yeah. You own this house?
I don't own this house. My parents do.
Where are they?
Can we actually talk out front?
We'll talk right here.
Professionally, out front?
Professionally, we can talk right here.
Oh, okay.
So
what's
Yeah.
is this? Whose house is this?
this is my family.
This is my family owns it. My parents own it.
They are not.
They are not.
No.
Okay.
But they knew about this. I threw a graduation party.
You
They're
buy all
out of
this?
hand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So you got your ID on you?
Yeah, I do inside.
Okay. We'll go get it.
Okay.
All right.
Sounds good. Can you
It's
meet me out at the
$8.90.
front door, though?
Can you start
I don't
this
want
way?
you guys to be in my house. That's the thing. You can meet out front with the ID, though.
We can do that.
Yeah. Okay. So, I
You guys just friends, or who is he?
Oh, well.
How do you know him?
He's friends of friends.
Okay.
Ah, they're friends of friends. Therefore, they can easily cover for this guy's murder if that were to ever happen. They're friends of friends. That means that they are like this.
Okay. Is everybody that's leaving then, I'm assuming, drunk and driving? Yeah.
Yeah, but I've already told all of my neighbors what was
Everybody
going
else
on
here is
tonight.
21 then?
Yes, yes.
No,
I
no.
think. Okay. Should we meet out front?
Do this right here.
Should we meet out front, though?
Come here.
I don't like
They're not in the house.
information getting out to other people.
All right,
So can we
fine.
meet out
Tell
front?
you what.
Can we be cooperative? Because I'm trying to be cooperative with you and nice with you, and I'm just trying to figure what.
Are you though?
No, listen. So we've got an underage party here. Okay, we got not everybody here is 21.
All
You're
the people
one
I
that
was
listen.
aware of, all the people that I was aware of that were over 21.
Okay,
Some people that are here that aren't over 21, I'm not aware of. So
you're
I
still
don't
in
think
charge.
You're here.
You're the ones in charge. You're not getting anybody else that's an adult.
Yeah, you guys
I
kind
don't
of
know
you guys kind of came at the wrong time.
Oh, is that?
What would have been a good time? What are you saying? What would have been a good time for the cops to show up at an underage party?
When was the right time?
He's so screwed.
So I need to talk to the owner of the home.
Okay, we can do that. Can we come out front though?
We'll do it right here.
What's your?
I don't know why he's so insistent of doing this in the front yard. It's not really going to make much of a difference.
Hey, listen, I'm trying to. I'm gonna tell you right now. You want to go to jail tonight?
Oh no, I don't want that.
Then call your parents. All right.
Where do you guys live?
All right, now that cop that was the cop turning on dad mode. That voice, that was his dad voice.
I live in Holland.
Holland.
I have to be home at 1:40.
Okay.
So
Have you guys been drinking?
I have not.
None of you?
No, I had to drive here.
Okay.
Yeah, I drove this one.
Your parents know you're here?
My mom does. That's why I have to be home.
Okay. Appreciate you guys sticking around.
Who lives on Brown?
Okay, so all right, this is gonna be fun.
You did. Okay. So you gave him permission to have a party while you were gone?
I did not.
Did you give him permission to smoke marijuana in your house?
No, I did not give them permission to smoke marijuana.
Probably about 75% of the people here were not invited.
I know that's annoying, but it really doesn't matter.
So do you want everybody out of your house?
You're already gone.
Okay.
So now they officially got permission by the owner to clear everybody out of the house, which means that they could go inside of the house. They now got the consent of the owner.
Do you want me to?
Because he asked for permission, and he got it. Hey, Beaver, thank you for the $2 Canadian. Oh.
I mean, do we have permission then to do that?
Yes, please. Yeah, of course.
Okay. I mean, FaceTime. You want me to FaceTime you and show you what's going on here?
I didn't think there was going to be a noise complaint. I like your tattoos.
Thank you. So this is kind of the deal. They all ran when we got here, so
They all bolted.
we're trying to figure out what's going on.
Yeah,
He hasn't been entirely truthful with us in identifying himself either.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Well, it depends on if he cooperates more than he has been. I mean, so far he's lied to me.
I've cooperated very well.
How many times have you lied to us?
Children.
True.
We're not super worried about the mess. We're worried about the fact that probably 50 teenagers just left and they're all drunk. And now they're out on the road driving, putting everyone at risk, including themselves. Do you understand that?
I can understand.
Yeah, that's the issue.
And they already left.
You have not.
And they already left.
And now they're on the road.
And now they're on the road. Talking right now. And now they're on the road, so they're not in our problem.
She should have followed his advice.
Yep. What? So if they kill someone, that's an issue.
So So this girl is, yeah.
What do you mean? At this point, everybody is out of our control. Really? Really?
What's your name?
Alright. Didn't I just tell you to go inside?
What's your name?
Yeah.
I'll deal with it.
What's your name?
Respectfully, no.
What?
Ooh.
Respectfully,
no.
no. Respectfully, I have nothing to do with this.
She's okay.
You guys know her?
She's okay. She's
Respectfully, I have nothing to do with this. This is his house. So
What's
no.
up, Juan?
What's her name?
Mrs. Holland. Mrs. Holland. She's my cousin, and she's staying the night here.
And what's her
20
name?
years old.
You're 20?
20.
Okay.
Need her name.
I'm not.
Well, now she says she's 20. That's not good.
Give that up.
Do you know her name?
21.
You don't know her name.
Okay.
You work together.
How much you had to drink
Okay.
tonight?
What does that matter to you? This is his house and his problem. What does that
This
matter
is
to
mom's
me?
house.
Okay,
Yeah, this is.
this is mom's house, so it's his house.
That's not how that works. That's. That is not how that works, miss.
Gonna cooperate, or are you gonna cooperate?
I'm gonna go inside.
That's
Good
what
night, everybody.
All right. Good night.
We're going inside too.
She's your cousin?
Okay.
No, there was no.
Your mom already gave us permission
You know, except
She has. They do have permission from mom.
to go inside and clear the house.
The house is clear. I promise.
And you really think the cops are going to trust you when they say that, given how much you've fibbed?
Okay.
Promise.
Yeah.
I understand
You've
there
been
was people.
super truthful already, so I believe you.
Okay, well, people already left, so what's the problem? What do we need to clear up? Because I'm trying to get this over with, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm, for sure.
Okay, so what's our next step?
at my house.
Because people are just talking, and
You are 20.
Yeah.
we just need to figure out what we need to do from here.
Yes, but
You
you
can
don't
let
need
us
to see
figure it
that
out.
because this is not my house.
You guys.
His house. This is
Yes.
his problem. This is his problem. You're grabbing.
Okay, so now she's blocking. Now she's blocking the entryway of the police. And I would say, while she may be drunk, they don't know that. So I can say they could probably hook her up for obstructing at this point.
You're grabbing me, and this is not my
You
problem.
said you're 20 years old.
You're grabbing me, and this is not my problem.
Oh, and that yank is not good. I completely missed that part. She yanked when the officer's trying to pull her away, pull her out of the way. She yanks at the officer.
Stop. Listen.
This is not
It's
my
gonna be
problem.
your
You're
problem.
grabbing me.
Stop.
That's enough.
Yusuf.
Put it down.
Yusuf.
Put it down.
Yusuf.
Listen.
Put what down? The Jesus? The Jesus?
You're out of control. Stop.
Give me my phone. Yusuf. Stop. Yusuf. Give me a phone.
And
Give me my dad.
now we're done.
Yusuf.
Stop.
Give me a phone.
Stop.
Yusuf. Yusuf.
That's enough.
Yusuf.
It's cool.
Give me a phone right now.
Come on,
Stop.
man.
Leave me alone.
All right, stop.
I do nothing wrong.
Stop.
Let me go.
said you-
So let me go.
Stop, man.
That's Yusuf.
Okay.
Give me a phone. Yusuf now. Yusuf now. Yusuf. I'm not doing anything wrong. No.
Stop.
No. Stop.
Stop.
I'm not doing anything wrong. Yusuf. Back me up. What do you mean?
Stop.
What do you mean? Take it dude.
Calm down.
No, leave me alone. My dad.
Calm
no,
down.
Leave me. Can I call my dad before you buckle me up?
Calm down.
Please.
Take some deep breaths.
Jeez.
Breathe. Yes. Breathe in through
Breathe.
your nose and out through your mouth. There you go.
Please don't put me
Listen.
in there. No.
Calm
Please.
down.
Please.
Calm down.
So listen. You're not listening.
Breathe. Okay.
I feel my hands. I
Okay.
feel my hands. Please.
Keep breathing.
Please. No. Please.
Yeah, like he's going up to the guy, like, back me up. Like, really? You what?
No, please. No.
Just sit up.
Please. No.
What's her name? What is
I
it?
need my phone. I need my phone. Yusuf.
Just sit up.
I need my phone. Yusuf, give me your phone, dude.
Just sit up.
What the is wrong with you? Give me your phone. Give me your phone. Yusuf, give me your phone.
Listen.
No.
Oh my god.
Hey, I'm talking to my cousin. Excuse me. Excuse me. I did nothing wrong so far. You had me a handcuff, and I want my
So far.
Why you're going to jail is because you keep talking.
No, Yusuf!
Oh.
Give me my dad! Give me my dad right now! No, that's not my dad!
Listen.
That's not my dad! Stop!
Whoa! Oh, I missed that too. She kicked it?
That's not my dad right now! No, that's not my dad!
Listen.
That's not
What? Well, yeah, she's way out of control. She may have issues, but this is probably her attitude and alcohol combined.
Stop! That's not my dad! That's not my dad!
Okay.
Please push my glasses up! Please push my glasses up! Please! They're broken right now! They're broken right now! No, I want my dad! I want my dad! I want my dad! Please! Leave me alone! Please leave me alone!
Hey,
Yusuf, shut the up! Please leave me alone!
I think this is right around when I stop watching Omega, and then say the rest.
I don't want to talk to you guys! Please leave me alone!
You have an opportunity to leave. Are you sticking around?
Can you fix my glasses?
There's no underrepresentation that I'm aware of.
Are you gonna tell me your name?
I want my dad!
I know.
Yusuf! Yusuf!
Dad.
Bye!
Hey.
Oh wait, not yet. We're not there yet.
Please! Please, that's my uncle. I want my dad on the
Listen,
phone.
I can't hear.
Listen, I don't want my uncle on the phone. I don't want my uncle on the phone. I want my dad on the phone. I have the phone number.
He's sleeping.
Please, I want my dad on the phone. He will answer.
He's sleeping.
I don't care. He will answer.
Can you sit down?
Please, I want my dad on the phone right now.
Sit down. Sit down, man. How about we tell you this? You're not going to jail. Just sit down and take a drink.
How about
Sit down.
Can you sit down and calm down?
Take a drink of what?
Worry about him.
listen? You were on the phone with your dad, dude. Put my dad on the phone. Where's my phone?
Just sit down.
Where's my phone, dude?
Question. I don't know what you.
Yeah, good question. Good question, dude. Where's my phone?
People are sleeping, man. Chill out.
Don't talk to me like that.
Stop.
I want my phone, and I want to talk to my dad. You have my dad. You have my dad on your phone, dude. I have handcuffs.
Keep yelling, you're gonna go to jail.
I have
Listen.
handcuffs on my wrist
Maybe
right
if
now.
you get out of the handcuffs, she'll
Oh my
calm
god. That's also not how that works. That's also not how it works. Maybe if you take off the handcuffs, she'll calm down. That's not how it works either. What are you doing? What are you talking about?
Spazzing.
Listen.
Please.
No.
Don't touch my face.
Stop. Get away from her.
Don't
That's
touch
not
my
helping.
face.
I know. It's not helping, though. I understand, but
Please,
it's not helping.
get me out of these handcuffs. I won't leave. I swear to God, I just want to call my
You need to
dad.
calm down.
No, I just want to call my dad.
For now.
Please.
So you're gonna sit down for a
Just sit.
second. Calm
Just sit down and
No.
Yes.
No.
Calm down.
My dad is my best
I
friend.
don't
I
know
swear
how
to
old
God.
you are. I don't know who you.
That's not a good thing to say. If your dad is your best friend, that's not good. Your parents should be your parents. And your parent, I mean, that doesn't mean that they can't be friendly, but your parents are your parents, not your friends.
You are. I don't know any of that. You haven't been cooperative, so I don't know.
Okay,
You told
give me
your
your phone.
and
Give me your phone, and I swear to God, I'll tell you my dad's number right now. I swear to God, I'll tell you my dad's number right now.
just take a
Please.
seat.
Can you pull my glasses?
Take a seat, okay?
You're
Sorry.
right.
There you go. Take a seat.
Please. No, please.
Take a seat. Yes.
Okay, right now.
Just
No, I don't want to sit down. No.
Yes.
No.
Sit, okay?
No.
Safety. That's why you're in the handcuffs.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm safe right
So
now.
sit.
No.
Just take a seat.
I said no.
Okay.
What?
I said no. Oh my god.
Police officer, sit down.
Yusuf, shut up.
All right.
Like what?
Oh my god.
What's your name?
Do you have my dad's number?
What's your name? Forgiveness and.
Can you please get my dad's number?
No, he doesn't have
Please.
your number.
You say you're out of. I feel like my throat's getting sore just listening to her more and more.
Give me my dad's number.
I don't have your dad's number.
I'm gonna give it to you.
Your dad's on his way over. Okay. Your license inside. Hey.
Can my dad come on the way?
Stay with her for a minute.
No, my dad will come right behind him. That's his brother.
Okay.
Can we please call him? Please, I want to call my dad. I don't have my
His number.
I don't have my personal phone. I'll give you his number.
I don't have it either.
I'll give you his number.
If I'm being honest, this has been a nonstop shrieking bingo box ever since she opened her mouth.
Hey,
Please
sit down and let me get his number from
I'm in
you.
handcuffs. What the do you want me to do? I'm in handcuffs.
You're gonna tell me his number?
Yes.
But I can't write when I'm holding you, so just sit.
Please. No, I don't want to sit. Please. I swear to God.
I want you to sit. Okay.
Why?
Because I'm worried about you jumping in the pool with handcuffs.
What the I have
So I
clothes
want you
on.
to sit.
That's not the point. I love the trunk logic. I don't want you to jump in the pool with handcuffs. Like, what the? I have clothes on.
I have clothes on.
Yeah.
No,
that would be crazy.
I
but can you
promise.
sit?
No.
I'm not gonna stand here and watch you in your handcuffs.
I literally
And I'll get your dad's number from
No.
you. That's all.
Great.
That's all I'm asking.
I swear to God, I'll give you my dad's number. I swear to God.
So just sit.
Okay,
for
no.
me.
Okay, ready?
Sit. Are you gonna stand there?
Yes.
Are you gonna tell me your name? What's your name?
Call him right now, please. I need my dad.
What's his name?
I need my dad right now.
What is
Please
his
call. He'll get here in 15 minutes.
What's his name? What is your dad's name? How can I call him if I don't even know who he is? What's his name?
Hold on.
You don't know his name?
Hold on for what?
Please.
You don't know his name?
Oh my God.
Please give me a second.
Of what?
You want me to
Jesus.
spit on the you want me to spit on the concrete?
I don't care.
Ah. Classy.
Please. Why are you doing this?
What's your dad's name?
Do you have the right number? Oh,
You said 0.
no, I didn't. I said
What's your dad's name?
Cleo. Call him now.
What's your name?
Cleo?
Call Cleo, dude. He'll come here and he'll tell you. Call Cleo.
What is your name?
Everyone would have been in the back of the car right now. I mean, I honestly would say that at the very least, she should be in the back of the car right now. Thank you for the $5, though.
Call Cleo.
Hey, father.
I'm messy. I'm messy right now.
Can you tell me your name?
No, please.
Lionel Messi?
Why are my shoes on the floor? Can I have a napkin, please?
Oh my God. Oh my God. She really is a 5-year-old. Sorry.
Handcuffs. I didn't do anything wrong.
What's your name?
Please let me go. I didn't do anything wrong. Please, I'll be cooperative. I promise you.
I like how she turns around as if like she's expecting the cop to just take the handcuffs off her. God damn. I feel like that's such a snobby, entitled way of asking that, to automatically turn around and just, you know, I'll do you a favor and turn around for you so I can take the handcuffs off me.
What's your name?
I promise
You're
you.
not cooperative now. You're refusing to identify
Because you're
yourself.
not. Because you're not. Because you're not letting me go.
What's your name?
That's not how that works.
I swear to God. This is my cousin's house. This is my cousin's house. I swear to God, I was gonna sleep here all night.
I know that. He's being cooperative
Okay,
now.
okay, please let me go. I'm stressing. I'm stressing. I have
Oh.
OCD. Please.
Oh my God. Here we go. A medical issue.
Go, please. I'll be cooperative. What do you want to know? What do you want to know?
Your mom's on your way.
What do you want to know?
You're gonna go home safe, so that's what you're gonna know. If there's any other,
Okay, please let me go. My
she's
mom's
not
on
gonna
her
let
way.
you know right now.
My mom's gonna be here in 10 minutes.
We're gonna keep you safe
No.
because you're out of control.
Please let me go.
No, because you're
You
out of
said-
control. Maybe,
you said-
maybe if you calm yourself down, we'll let you go.
You said-
but you
you
don't
know me.
shut up.
You know me for 18
I
years.
don't know you. I don't know how you're acting right now. If you shut up, maybe we can get somewhere. You know, these are police officers. Cooperate. They're trying to understand what's going on right now.
Literally, don't talk.
Jesus. Where was this guy from the outset? Where was he at the outset instead of being the cagey ass clown at the beginning? Now he sounds like the adult that he should have been.
To me right now.
Stop.
Don't talk to me. Where are you going?
Listen.
Excuse me.
Ian, where are you
Stop.
going?
Excuse me.
Mom's on the way.
I'm going right
Just
there.
calm. No, you're
Excuse
not.
me. I'm going
Stop.
right to the steps.
Hi, Mila.
Excuse me.
Yusu,
Excuse me.
no right to
What?
talk to a cop like that.
Stop. Excuse me.
Excuse what? What do you want to excuse?
I want to go right there.
Go
Excuse me.
Sit down right there. Sit
Excuse
down.
me.
Stop.
Hey.
Thanks, Beaver.
What's your name?
Shout out to Beaver in chat.
Will you just tell us your name?
And Sean.
Please sit down. Can you please
behind you.
Hawkins.
Please
I've been
take
trying
these
to get you to
off
sit this whole
me.
time.
That's not happening.
Please take these off.
No matter how much you whine, it's not. I know. Talking to a brick wall. I get it.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Hey, you're out of control. We don't know who you
Why?
are.
Why am I doing something wrong? I just raised my voice. That's it.
I don't have a voice.
That's it. I just.
Oh, shut up. Just stop talking in the middle.
I mean, you barely have a voice now as it is.
They'll cooperate with you. You get a long way if you stop talking. I'm trying to help you out. Don't look at me stupid. Your mom's on her way.
Go clean your house,
Hey.
dude. Shut the up.
I can't hear you.
Can
All
you
right.
please
Oh my God.
take this off me, dude?
It's gonna.
I promise
We're gonna
my
take
mom.
you to a car in
My
about
mom
2 seconds
is
if you don't calm down.
My
Okay.
mom is on the way. I'm sorry, my voice is cracking because I've literally been trying to keep everybody
You're
cool
waking
in
the
this
whole
house.
neighborhood up.
I can't
Are you sure about that?
put my glasses up. Can you please put my glasses up?
You done?
Oh my God. Well, she's such a brat. Sorry. This is. Ah.
Are you 18?
Can you please put my glasses up?
Are you 18?
Obviously not. No.
Yes, I'm above 18. Please listen.
You're above 18, but you're not 21. Correct?
I'm about to be 20 this year.
I thought she said she was 20.
You're 19.
Broken bottle is ridiculous.
What's your name? What's your mom's name?
I didn't do anything wrong for you to know any of that information.
Do you remember kicking me? You remember
Caking
kicking me?
you?
Yeah.
Caking you?
Yeah.
What is, I don't even know what that means. Yusuf! Yusuf!
Yeah.
Can I please get a water? Water! Dude, give me a water!
Alright. Calm down.
Can I drink water for 2 seconds? Okay, when he gets here. When he gets here.
You can have it when your mom gets here.
Do you have a tissue?
I don't. I'm sorry.
What?
I don't have one. I'm sorry.
Okay, can you follow me inside to get a paper towel? I don't feel. Can you follow me inside?
Just wait.
So again, trying not to be the armchair psychologist, but she really doesn't like being told what to do. Number one, and it seems like she really doesn't like being in control of a situation, because she's so desperate at getting the cops to do something. Either handcuff her, let her sit down, let her go inside, let her sit over here, let her walk over here. Like, she seems so adamant at getting the cops to acquiesce to something so she can feel at least a little bit in control. But that's the feeling I'm getting from this interaction.
Dude,
Stop.
Dude, can you give me a paper towel? Can you give me a paper towel?
No.
Can you follow me inside? Can you follow me inside to get a paper towel? Yes or no?
No.
Why?
No.
I'm not going inside.
Okay, there's nobody in the house. Come on. Come on.
No.
Let's see. What are you doing?
Jeez, right now.
Okay.
Oh my God.
I need to get a paper towel. Okay, do you want a paper towel too? Like, come on.
No.
It's all
Your
right.
mom's here, so just calm
No,
down.
she's not.
Is that your mom? Where's stop? Just wait. Let it.
Move, dude.
Oh, stop doing that. Oh my God.
Dude, like, come on. It's all
Your
right.
mom's here, so just calm
No,
down.
she's not.
Is that your mom? Where's stop? Just wait. Let it.
Move, dude. Get this off me now.
Stop.
Get this off me now. Like, I'm sorry. Screw this. Do not let her go. Do not let her go. The cops have been way too patient with her. Do not let her go. Send her to the drunk tank. Because she obviously needs to learn something.
Just let him talk to your mom.
You wanna kill me?
As soon as you get
Okay, we're going.
as soon as you get-
Don't you do that. Stop. That's enough.
Wanna kill me?
Do you have her information?
Don't.
My mom, my ride is here.
That's enough.
Give me the fucking bitch now.
Got this.
Oh shit. Look at the face of mom right now. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Oh no. Oh no, that's mom. That's mom right there. That is staring her down. She's pissed. Oh no. Please tell me that mom is like, take him away. Take her away.
Yeah, but you said it wrong. Yes, please. I didn't do anything wrong. No, I didn't do anything wrong. No, I got it. Mom, I'm
Now she's.
You're going home. You're going home.
No,
Thanks, Bear.
Stop, my dad's on the phone. Stop. Wait. My dad's on the phone. Hey, calm down. See, you not calm down, you
You're saying shut.
Oh my god, that was her mom. Holy shit, she said that to her mom. No shot. No shot. She said that to her mom and didn't realize it.
Stop, my dad's on the phone. Stop. Wait, my dad's on the phone. Hey, calm down. See, you not calm down, you
You're saying shut the up to your mom. Watch yourself.
Listen to Baba. Isma.
Baba, listen to Baba.
My husband wanted.
Come on, Habibi.
It's mine! Please don't attack me! It's mine! This is stupid! Talk, Baba. I'm listening. Stand up. Dude, listen to them. I'm listening. Baba, talk. Okay, we're going. Baba, talk. Stop, please. Baba, please stop. Kicking me. Stop. Okay.
She's, yeah.
Settle down. Please settle down. They're not taking me down. Stop. Take these off. No. We're past that point.
Yeah, we're done. There are way too many chances. They have to take her in. You can think of $5. Okay, I have an educated kid that the father's the enabler. Mom is not having any of this at all. I would say I would lean towards yes on that, given that she absolutely emphasized that she wanted her dad to she wanted her dad and not her mom. Number two, the fact that she said that her dad is her friend, as well. So all that suggests to me that dad is far more lenient on her than her mom is.
Please go to the other side. Wait, which way? Keep going. No, please.
Oh, kicking. Man, all right. Maybe we should have done bingo. We got kicking inside the squad car.
Please, let me out. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything. She doesn't know what to act. She just needs to calm down for the night. She's refusing. I understand. It's past the point. We were planning on letting her go, and she kept ratcheting it. Of course. You know. And she sees police. And there's a point of no return. So that's kind of where we're at. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Why am I in here? No!
Settle down.
No!
When you settle
No!
down.
No! The fact that you're not giving me respect.
Ma'am, you have not earned any respect from the outset of this interaction. Period. Respect is earned, and you have not earned a damn thing.
We've tried.
No, did it! No! I can't move my hand! Let me out! Please! No!
Settle
No,
down.
I'm having a second attack!
Okay.
No, you're not. You're having a temper tantrum.
Please!
Calm down. Take a deep breath.
No, I don't deserve this!
Take a deep breath. You're gonna be.
This ain't no anxiety attack. This is a temper tantrum.
Take a deep breath, okay?
No, why? You're gonna take me to the jail station.
All right.
Let me out! Let me out!
I mean, at the very least, it looked like her sister didn't seem or surprised by these antics.
Please, fix my glasses, please.
All right, look at me.
Again?
I can see what the heck.
Don't take my hair out my face.
Listen.
Please,
Listen.
1 second. You can put it back on. You can put it back on. I swear to God.
No. See, again, Deacon. Again, this is what I'm talking about. She's so absolutely desperate to have some level of control here.
I swear to God, you can put it back on. No, I can't.
Are you trying to buckle her?
No, I just want to take my hair out of my face. Please, I just want to take my hair out of my
Stop. Your
face.
sister's gonna move your hair.
Poopy,
Fix her glasses.
Poopy, fix me, please.
هذا بدك تجي هون اصل ليش عم تبكي؟ ليش عم تبكي؟ شوفي مني ليش عم تبكي؟ انت عملت هيك ليش عم تبكي؟
No.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, she's going native language on her. Ooh! Oh, that means it's serious. When you go native language, that's when you know they're pissed.
وديهان making her hair. Shay.
Alright.
My husband's
Keep calm. Alright?
بقول Shay بابا هون.
Why are you going to drive? My dad's here. No, this is illegal. This is illegal. This is illegal. This is illegal. Where are you going? My dad's here. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Jail.
Why? I
Jail.
didn't do anything illegal. Listen.
Oh my god.
I don't own the house. Where am I going? Hello?
That does not matter.
I told you the jail.
Why? Listen, I'm sorry my voice is gone, but you need to pay attention. I don't own the house. I don't own the house, and my dad is at the
Artie, are you speaking for personal experience? A little bit.
house. My parental vision is at the house. Are you listening to me? What did I say? Respectfully, sir. Sir, respectfully. What did I just say? So please go back to the house. Respectfully,
No.
please go back to the house.
Deacon, thank you for becoming a member.
Respectfully, please go back to that house. I'm sorry, I lost my voice, but please go back to the house. Sir, where the are you going? I have the right to know.
They already said jail.
I have the right to know where I'm going. Oh my God. Can you please fix my glasses? Please fix my glasses.
Oh my god. Is this like the 5th time dealing with the glasses?
Pull them up.
Sean, native language is nothing compared to when your lieutenant colonel father pulls rank. Oh my god, really? Damn. Okay, I never served, so I never got that treatment, Sean. I may have, but I never actually got that treatment before. So, yeah, that I would say, yeah, that's probably another an escalation beyond going full native language.
Dude, please. Dude.
That's wild.
Okay, please. This is so unfair. I can't see right now. This is so unfair. I have the right to see, please. I'm about to tweak out. Please. You know what?
The Great Santini? I think I've heard of it. I don't think I've seen it.
That's so rude. That's so rude. Where's that at? Okay. I deserve a phone call. I didn't get one. Please, let me deserve a phone call before I get there. I didn't do anything wrong. Oh, this hurts. Please, I swear to God. I swear on my Quran. I swear on the Quran. I'm praying to you in Arabic. Please, let me.
What the hell? Oh, now we're going to desperation mode, appealing to religion.
Please get me out of here. Can you fix my pants, please?
Uh.
Slide on out. I can't. My arms hurt. Please put my left hand, please. Down. I hear you. You don't have to yell. Where's my dad, please? Your dad is not here, hopefully. What do you mean, hopefully? Yes, I hope he's here. Please. You're at the county jail. You're gonna have to get out.
Dad was a complete bastard, but he was a good father. That's fair.
Wait, can I call my dad,
Nope.
please?
Come on.
No, please. I have a right to a phone call.
Oh my God.
The suspect who was arrested was charged with disorderly conduct and liquor beer purchase while under the age of 21. She is innocent until proven guilty.
Honest to God, she got off light because they could have, and I feel like, well, they could have charged her with resisting, which, I mean, depending on the state, that could be a felony. So I feel like she got off. Yeah, they gave her a break there. Did I say resisting? I'm sorry. Yeah, no. Battery on LEO is a felony, not resisting. I'm sorry. All right, let's listen to the latest. Watch the latest lacrosse lore that has been dropped. All right, let's do it.
On a late evening in March 2024, a 31-year-old male named Travis had been
Shut the hell up, Griggsy.
out at a local bar in La Crosse, Wisconsin. After consuming several drinks, he made the ill-advised decision to drive home.
Oh no.
Unfortunately, this wasn't Travis's initial encounter with driving drunk, as he has a history of 3 prior OWIs dating back to 2016. Moments later, an officer was monitoring traffic when he saw Travis's vehicle with a defective headlamp. While trying to conduct a traffic stop, Travis quickly turned into the parking lot of an apartment complex, partially missing the driveway and crossing over the curb.
We can do DBZA tonight.
Foot from his vehicle and proceeded to yeet himself over a fence.
Stop it! No!
Get on the ground!
He yeet himself over the fence.
I just had one take off on the foot, jumped the fence, ran west or east towards the river.
306, you can put me on that.
907, I lost sight of him. Last seen eastbound towards the river. Looked like a male, jeans, maybe camo jacket. I got a plate for you.
706 PD.
After running his plates, dispatch confirmed that he did indeed reside at the apartment complex.
907, that plate comes back to Travis.
Ooh, lakefront apartments? Snazzy. Oh, ball cap.
What's your location?
I'm coming back out to my squad car. I got a phone and a hat. I didn't see where he took off after he hopped the fence.
Subsequently, the officer suspected that there might be a rear entrance to the apartment building through which Travis could have entered.
He lives here. He might have. So he hopped this fence right here. I got his phone and his hat must have fell off. I'm guessing he ran around the back and went inside. He had a headlight out and then he quick whipped it.
Hey, what's up, Deadpool?
Probably gonna run as soon as I got out. I couldn't see him because it was like where he whipped right into that spot right there. And then I saw him just running.
Deadpool says, hey, Artie, how are you dealing with the fallout from the dumpster fire of Helldivers 2? I feel like sometimes, I'm going to be here. Sometimes gamers can be really sensitive bitches sometimes. They really can. I understand the problem of giving Sony your information because Sony has not had the best reputation when it comes to your personal information. But the fact that you have to sign into an account that is so unbelievably inconveniencing to you is just asinine to me. It's just, get over it. Chill. You only have to enter it once. Once, and you're done. But God, you guys are acting like you're giving Sony like your fucking a blood type. Ugh. Seriously, I'm sorry. People are losing their shit over having to sign in to a PlayStation account in Helldivers 2 on your PC. It's like the end of the fucking world. It's just, yeah. That's my take on it. Thank you.
This way. I don't know how you got over that fence. I couldn't. We'll try his door here.
While looking inside his car, an open Budweiser can was in plain view.
That'd be why. He hopped the curb when he turned in.
Budweiser in plain view? Was that a child's car seat?
His car. An open Budweiser can was in plain view.
That'd be why. He hopped the curb when he turned in.
That's a child's car seat.
The officer happened to have keys to access the building.
This might be locked. I think I got a key for it.
Where did he take off from?
That way. He lives here though.
If you wanna, he circled back and got inside.
Well, I think he either circled back and got inside or kept running that way. Do you want to just drive? Just kind of look down in there.
Alright, yeah, sure.
Tranquility clear.
Is there a back door to this, or is this the only way?
Yeah, no, there's a back door too. There we go. I got the keys.
While unlocking the door, the officer saw Travis in the hallway, who quickly hid behind a corner, but utterly failed.
That's probably.
Well.
Looked like he saw us shut in and came to the street.
Did he just bolt? Did you just see him bolt? Uh-oh.
Come here. Show me your hands. I can see you. Show me your hands. Travis, I can see you right now. What are you doing? Step back.
I think the landlord got a pass key.
Put your hands up. Let me see your other hand.
What? Stealth 100. Let's see if he's gonna pass a persuasion check here with the cops.
Take your hand out of your pocket. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Get on your knees. Put your hands on top of your head. Put your hands on top of your head. Put your hands back. Put your hands back.
As they took him into custody, officers detected a strong odor of intoxicants coming from him and noticed he had pissed his pants.
From you running from the police?
Oh my God! A rare number 1 or number 2. Oh, we should have played bingo tonight. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. We should have played bingo tonight.
You peeing your pants?
Yep.
Oh, that's cool, bro. Travis, you hurt at all?
No.
Alright, you good?
What's going on?
I think you know what's going on, man.
No, I don't. Hold on.
Don't just stay down here.
Stop.
Bro.
Just relax. Hold on. What's going on here? Sit up. Sit on your butt. Sit on your butt. We're gonna help you out.
Yeah, there it is.
Hey, you need any medical attention?
What's going on?
You ran from me.
No, I didn't.
You hopped the fence.
Look at your knees, man.
Your shirt's torn. Your shir's torn. Your wrists are all bloody. No. You ran from me. I got your hat and your phone.
Okay.
So you're gonna tell me you didn't run from me?
No,
All right, stand up.
Hold on. What's going on?
Stand up.
Stand up. 1, 2.
I have no idea what's going on here.
What's going on?
What a cop got a whiff. Oh no. What? Deacon, I have no idea what you're talking about. I don't know if I want to know what you're talking about. But that reaction from the cop is great.
What's going on? Just hold on. Huh? Yeah, I'll grab it. Okay. Alright, let's go out here. What apartment's yours? It don't matter at this point. What's going on here? Can I sit down? Why do you want to sit down? I need to sit. What's happening? Why are you sitting down? You're under arrest for running from me.
I didn't do nothing.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Okay, so that's not your phone.
No.
So if where is your phone?
I have my phone upstairs.
But you got the keys on you for the car. Subaru.
Yep, that's fine.
Unlock it quick.
Hey, no, you don't need to touch my keys.
Yeah,
Well,
unlock it quick.
Your keys are under arrest. It's our property.
Hey, what are you doing?
Shadow, I know who you're talking about. I have not checked that out on my channel. But I know who you're talking about. I saw Moist Critical cover that video.
Right, let's go. We're gonna go sit in my car.
What's going on?
You're going to jail.
For what?
For running.
I didn't do nothing.
Yes, you did.
I didn't do nothing.
Cool.
What's going on?
Stand up. Well, I didn't do nothing. Yeah, you're going to jail. For what? For resisting right now. I didn't do nothing. Whoa.
Come on, bro, we're not playing that game. Come on.
Stop.
We ain't got
Come on,
time for
no.
that.
I do.
You played enough games tonight.
I didn't.
already.
What's going on? Don't make it worse. No, Don't make it worse.
What? Oh, he's playing the amnesia defense. What's going on? What is happening? Where am I? What year is it?
Come on. Where is what? No. Come on. No. Tugging me around. Stop. No. What's going on? No, I'm not going to jail. No. What's going on? Get in the car.
Why are my pants wet?
What are you doing to me? Get in there. What are you doing to me? Dude, what are you doing to me? Get your feet in there. Dude, what are you doing to me? What are you doing to me? Get your feet in there, What are you doing to me? What are you doing to me?
You're under arrest, dude. Chill out.
For what?
For fleeing.
I didn't do nothing.
Yeah, man, you did.
No, I didn't. He's got odor alcohol. Take him down the side part and see if he'll be tough.
He had a hat mark on his head too, so
okay.
you can see that he was wearing a hat.
Bills
on the keychain.
Bills on the sweatshirt. That's not my stuff. I didn't do nothing. I wasn't driving. I lit him up on the street. He hopped that curb right there. Whipped into the spot. I couldn't see him. I got out, and then all of a sudden I just seen a flash close run that way. And I saw him hopping over the fence. My friend is gone. I didn't drive one bit. The way he whipped in there, though, I knew he was probably gonna run. My friend is gone. I didn't drive. I didn't even get the traffic stop out because my friend is gone. He didn't drive, or he drove. My friend is gone.
You gonna try to do OWI?
I didn't drive. My buddy's gone. We'll see if he complies. But he's got speech order.
I heard that. Hold on. I hear. Let's hear that again. I just heard that while I was coming back.
And I saw him hopping over. I wasn't driving. I lit him up on the street. Take him down the side part and see if he'll be tough.
He had a hat mark on his head too, so
okay.
You can see that he was wearing a hat.
Bills
on the keychain.
Bills on the sweatshirt. That's not my stuff. I didn't do nothing. I wasn't driving. I lit him up on the street. He hopped that curb right there. Whipped into the spot. I couldn't see him. I got out, and then all of a sudden I just seen a flash close run that way. And I saw him hopping over the fence. My friend is gone. I didn't drive one bit. The way he whipped in there, though, I knew he was probably gonna run. My friend is gone. I didn't drive. I didn't even get the traffic stop out because my friend is gone. He didn't drive, or he. My friend is gone.
Wait, no, he did. No, wait, he did drive. Welcome, Big and Raiders. Thank you so much, Big and the Second, for coming in and joining us. We're learning the latest addition to the lacrosse cinematic universe.
I didn't drive. My buddy's gone. We'll see if he complies, but he's got a slurred speech order, alcohol. He peed himself. My neighbor up there can tell, John. Hey, John, I didn't drive. You know, I don't drive.
Who the hell is John? Hey, Pete. Hey, Mandy. Tell him I wasn't driving, man. Sir, who are you talking to?
Hey, ask my neighbor John. No, I don't know why you guys think I was driving.
He's got 3 priors.
Yep. It don't matter if I have 3 priors. I wasn't driving. I've actually talked to this guy before.
You dealt with him before?
Yeah. He reported like a fraud or something like that. Well, yeah, when you whiz yourself.
You just got you scared.
Yeah. Well, you saw him. He was standing around that corner.
Thank you for the.
I was not drunk.
Great, man.
I'm going to say that 100 times.
As soon as you were unlocking that door, I'm like, oh, there's a guy who's kind of creeping in there.
Nerf guns. Yep, I was not driving. He was stumbling. That's probably him. I'm just going to take a picture of this quick and then. I was not driving. And then I'll just get rid of it. Yeah, it's half full. That's not on me. I was not driving.
Neighbor did see something.
Not.
It was a suspect or officer. She advised it's okay to check the property for anything and to go in the shed if needed.
Absolutely. Go into the shed. Please do it. It wasn't me driving. Good try. You can see him. He's probably running right now at rubbish nest. When I seen him hit he's probably gone now. Yeah, I wasn't driving. Good luck on that. I wasn't driving. Yeah, I'm drunk. I wasn't driving.
You willing to do fuel?
I wasn't driving.
For what?
For OWI?
No, I wasn't driving.
You can say that all you want, brother, but I got all the evidence that you were.
Let me see it. That's nothing.
Those are your keys.
Yeah, that's my. This is your phone. This is your hat. Yeah, let me see.
Oh no.
Okay, that doesn't mean nothing. Yeah, it does. No, it don't. Was not driving my car tonight. I can promise you that. So that is your car. That's my car.
Was not driving tonight.
Yeah, I wasn't driving it. I did not drive my car tonight. So there's another Buffalo Bills fan running around here driving your car? No, I'm the only Buffalo Bills fan in the passenger seat. Okay, that's why they're...
Well, you know what? He's kind of answering the questions, okay? I mean, playing the amnesia defense can possibly help him, but the other, like, circumstantial evidence is not really doing him any favors.
There's nobody else in the car but you. Oh, there was.
300 people watching. Welcome, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Please hit that like button when you can. Much appreciated.
No, there wasn't. Yeah, there was. No, there wasn't. Yeah, well, you'll get to have to see the tape. I got that. You have videotape, right? Sure do. Sure do. All right, perfect. And I'll get video from the apartment building too. Okay, fine. I ain't gonna sit here and argue with you, brother. It is what it is. No, I do what I do. You made a mistake. Live with it. I was definitely not driving my car. I definitely had one guy driving my car. I'm not gonna say his name, and he's gone now, and I'm now getting paid for it. It sucks.
There was some Puerto Rican guy, right? Usually how it is.
It is what it is. Good try, though. I've been through this too many times. You should know better. Yeah, I should definitely know better. I wasn't driving. I was down in my basement about to do laundry, and then you guys saw me. As soon as
I was about to do laundry.
And I told them, like, yo, you need to chill. I got an attorney, and I was not driving the whole f***ing time. Like I said, I'm not going to argue with Travis. It doesn't do anybody any good.
He's doing laundry at 1:24 in the morning.
Dude, I like cops. Dude, I've talked to you before. I know we've talked to each other. I like you. About the guy who came and bought your truck. Dude, I like you a lot. Like, I like all you guys. So here's the, don't get out yet. Yep, big dog. Yep, I'm listening now. Okay. Yep. So are you gonna perform tests for me? I don't want to do anything for you because I don't need to. Well, listen. No, this is your opportunity to prove to me. What? This is your opportunity to prove to me that you're not intoxicated. Well, so I'd like you to perform the test. I've been drinking beers, but I wasn't driving. I'm telling you right now, and you can't tell that. My buddy drove my car, okay. And I'm gonna tell you right now. As soon as I saw you guys, it's just what I do. I
is run. The first thing I see when I see cops is run. I'm bolting.
I don't need to do that, but I dipped. And it's my fault. And I don't need to do that. I like you guys. I love you guys. This is what you guys do. It's your job. But I was not f***ing driving. Listen, I'm giving you the opportunity to do the test. If you don't want to do the test, I can do a test right now, but I'm drunk. But it don't matter. Like, I wasn't driving. So if I take you out of handcuffs, you're gonna cooperate and do the tests. You're not gonna fight us, try to run, nothing like that. Why would I ever do that? See, the only reason why I did that before is because the person that was driving my car before was not okay, and he told me, yo, you need a dip. And I told him, you need to park my f***ing car right now, and you need to leave right now. And I can't say a name. Alright, so let's do the test then. So it's fine. SFSTs, okay? Yeah, you can do whatever you want, but obviously I wasn't driving. I know better not to drive. I pissed my pants, that's how scared I am. Why the f*** would I drive again? This would be my 4th OWLA. I drove my car. Alright, you can put your hands down, okay? Alright, so you obviously wear glasses, right? Do you have any other problems with your eyes or anything like that? It's far side. Alright, cool. Okay. I'll sir. I need you to take them off. So just do you want to just hand them to him? Yep. Sorry. Just hand them to him. Okay. Yep, Roger that. Yep, so what I'm gonna have you do is stand with your feet together and your arms down at your sides, just like I am. Don't do anything else until I tell you to, okay? I'm gonna check your eyes. So what I want you to do... For what, though? I wasn't driving. Okay, so are you gonna do the test or not? Yeah, I can do a test, but like, I just want to know what's going on because I was not driving. Okay, I'd like to perform the field sobriety test on you, like I said. For what though? This is your opportunity. Can you ask me what's going on? Because you ran from the driver's seat, you drove a car.
I'll check it out, Big, and thank you.
I'm not gonna argue with I was told what to do when I hopped the passenger seat and I hopped the fence. This is it, all right? Are you gonna do them or not? And you're not gonna argue with me.
Now spread your cheeks and lick your.
Okay.
All right, we're just gonna do the test, or we're not gonna do them at all.
Okay, I'll follow your orders. Yep.
Stand your feet together and your arms on your sides, just like me.
Roger.
Don't do anything until I tell you to.
Roger.
Okay?
Roger.
Do you see the tip of my finger?
I've been drinking, man. I wasn't driving.
Ooh, that sounds good, Biggin. I'll take a look at it for sure.
As I move it, okay? Do not move your head.
Well, hey, dude, can I look at you instead of your finger real quick?
What?
Dude, I've been drinking. Why are you doing this test?
Are you gonna?
It's not gonna prove anything. Like I'm drunk.
Last chance. You gonna do it or not? Yes or no?
Okay, Roger. Okay.
Keep looking. Keep looking. You gotta look at my finger. Keep looking. You gotta look at my finger. Keep looking.
So can I on your finger, right? Please. One more chance.
Keep looking. Keep looking. Keep looking.
You with your finger?
No, the finger. Yeah. What's that?
What's going on?
We're doing another test before we start.
For what though? Can I ask why?
I already told you once.
I'm not.
gonna argue
I
with you
didn't
about
drive. I ran, but I wasn't. I was in the passenger seat because I was told to do what to do.
All right. So I guess you can either.
Yes.
Right here.
Theo, I have the one that you sent me on the docket.
Do anything until I tell you to. All right.
Roger that.
So now maintain that position until I finish instructing you. Do not do anything until I tell you to. Does that make sense? Do not start walking until I tell you to. What you're gonna do is take a series of 9 heel-toe steps along that line, counting aloud. Okay? Once you hit that last step, I want you to turn the 9 heel-toe steps back, and so on and so forth until you get down to 9.
So 9,
okay?
and then to the right side.
So what I want you to do while you're walking, count your steps out loud.
1 through 9.
Keep your arms down to your side, and do not stop the test until you think you've completed it.
Roger that.
Does all that make sense to you?
Yes, it does.
Okay. Heel to toe. Nope. You're flip-flop. No, you're not. Never mind. I was flip-flop. Left foot on the line, right foot in front, arms on your sides.
Don't do that to me. Come on. Really?
Right foot, heel to toe.
Give me a shake. Come on.
I'm not going to do that right now. You need to do the test.
Dude, that's well, you gave me your own test.
Right foot in front.
One. See, honestly, can I do outside or? See, honestly, I can't even do this. And then you said turn to the right?
Do it exactly how I told you to.
I'm asking you because you screwed up once too. Alright, fine. So, and one.
You done?
Well, I don't know. Dude, like, you messed up too.
Alright,
Can
first
I redo that one since you screwed up?
Nope.
I bet he does, yeah.
Stand with your feet together.
He screwed up my test. Can't I screw up too?
Okay, feet together, arms on your sides.
What? Okay.
Take one step back. You don't need to be that close to me.
Well,
right.
You messed up your test too.
Alright, feet together, arms on your sides. You're gonna lift either your left or your right leg approximately 6 inches off the ground, keeping your foot parallel to the ground. What you're gonna do is you're gonna begin counting 1 1,000, 2 1,000. Alright, so I'm gonna lift my left foot. And I'm gonna begin counting 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, and so on and so forth until I tell you to stop, okay?
Yeah, you're shaking a lot.
Do not stop doing the test until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Roger.
Alright, give me 1 second. Do you understand the
You're trying to fist bump him?
Do you understand?
You're messing up the
Do you understand the test as I told you?
I understand the test, but when you're messing up the test, you can't get mad at me.
Alright, feet together, arms on your sides. Can't be in your pockets.
For how long?
Until I tell you to stop.
So can I have my hands up?
Is that how I told you? You gotta count.
1, Mississippi. 2, Mississippi. 12, Mississippi. You could have up. Come on, you guys. I'm not. Come on, you guys.
Okay. Are you gonna be willing to submit to a PBT for me?
That's great. Give me my glasses. Or I'm drunk, but why do I need to do that?
Yes or no? Doesn't have any bearing on.
I don't want to. No.
Okay.
I mean, I've been drinking all night.
Turn around, put your head back behind your back.
For what?
Okay. You're under arrest.
For what?
Under suspicion of well, in Wisconsin, under suspicion of OWI. Yeah, that's easy. I mean, you've kind of admitted yourself. You kind of admitted yourself you're drunk. You're just insisting that you weren't the driver, but there's a lot of evidence against you.
OWI and resisting.
For what?
OWI and resisting arrest.
I wasn't driving.
Oh, I understand you've said that a few times.
Yeah.
Okay.
A bunch of. So why am I getting?
Officer Kale's probable cause to place you under arrest for this.
I understand. No, you guys are doing your job, but I wasn't the one that.
The invisible. No, I don't believe the Invisible Man defense.
I need to go to bed.
We're going down to the hospital. For what? Being drunk? Yeah, I'm for a blood draw. Yeah, but I'll explain it once we get down there. Like, I like you guys a lot, but this makes me not like you guys. This is so messed.
What about his Facebook friends? True.
I tell ya. I hope you don't vote for Biden. Probably a Biden supporter. But yeah.
Where does that come from? What the fuck? Where did that come from?
Somebody tells me to fucking... Yeah, he was driving my car and he fucking ran.
Hey, Biden! Well, now he's saying... Well, he doesn't like Biden, so he can't say that Biden was a driver. I mean, if Biden was a driver, then yeah, I'm surprised he's still alive, but still.
He dipped and they put on an invisibility cloak then and float away into the wind. Who, him? Whoever this imaginary person you told me about. Yeah, you guys, I jumped a fence, but I started doing laundry. That makes sense. That's usually what I do. I didn't drive my car. It's just silly. Can you just not? Let's just not. Alright? If you're gonna just keep saying the same thing over and over again, let's just. I'm gonna hold my story, man.
Just shut up. That's the cop. The cop's asking. The cop is asking you. Shut up. Shut up. We're tired of it.
Like I said, I don't want to argue with you, Travis. No, I like cops. I like police. Hey, there was mistakes made tonight, obviously, and we're gonna... No, I didn't make a mistake. I got a headlight out in my car. Did you notice that I have a headlight? Yeah, I did. That's why I tried to stop you.
That is the purpose of the stop.
Do you think I would... And then you ran...
So now you just justify the cops' probable cause to stop you in the first place.
Ran from the driver's seat. I watched you. From the driver? You think I'm blind? I've been very cooperative with you, and I know there's video cameras in this car right now that are recording me, and I know my attorney will listen to this. Can I please have a supervisor? Do not have...
Supervisor! Drink.
I have a supervisor that is working. Like I said, man, I ain't gonna argue with you. There's only one person that ran. It was you. I saw you. I was right behind you. You didn't even get over the fence by the time I got over there. Hey, man, all I'm gonna say is it does no good to anyone at this point to try to feed me full of lies. I'm not feeding you. You weren't driving, that there was some another imaginary person there. There wasn't. Yeah, there was. It is what it is at the end of the day, alright? Sometimes you just gotta man up and just take responsibility for your actions. No, I would. No. You may not see it that way, but I'm just telling you, life gets a lot easier once you start doing that in general. No. Okay? I'm not trying to sit here and lecture you, okay?
You kind of are, but he kind of needs it when this is his fourth, well, allegedly his fourth OWI.
He went to the left. You gotta just own, alright? I just owned everything I did. I just want to know how someone can have a fence. Not me, I'm saying the other person. So now you didn't have the fence?
He's not right. He's not wrong, but still.
There's a bench right there. You can see.
Travis was charged with felony counts of operating while intoxicated, fourth offense, operating with prohibited alcohol content, and misdemeanor resisting obstructing an officer. He also earned himself over $400 in citations. Ultimately, he was released a few days later on a $1,000 signature bond.
I mean, I'm not necessarily surprised about that. So I'm not going to give Wisconsin the usual like WTF about it. But I would imagine and expect that the bond would have to include like an interlock device or something. I would hope so. Jesus.
Visit Code Blue Cam.
All right. So the next one is compliments of Thea, who is one of my head mods, and she says that this is a sovereign citizen body cam that allegedly no one has covered yet. No one in our group or in our circle has covered yet. So world first, I guess.
Open the door.
Volusia Sheriff. So that's Florida. So let's go. Let's see what happens here.
No. Come on. Don't give me my car. What are you guys doing?
Wait a minute.
It's gonna be at Howland and Catalina. It's a
blue.
No, Thea, no. We have seen, Thea, we have seen this. This is an old one. We saw this. Never mind. No, we saw this before. We all know because he calls his guru and the guru gets hooked up along with him. Yeah, we saw. I appreciate it, Thea, but we have seen this before. Yeah, we saw this one. All right, let's go to Biggins that he linked to me. That he says is a good one. Let's go for it. But hey, I always appreciate you looking out for me, Thea. So don't. So it's all good.
On April 8th, 2024, an abusive woman live-streamed herself assaulting and abusing her boyfriend on YouTube.
What?
I'm sorry, what? Oh, that is a very strong statement to start off with. Goodness.
Here it is. Take it. What?
You said you were going to come, but you didn't.
Come where? Come where?
The shrink said you were going to come back to the...
For what?
To give me my stuff.
Oh, there it is. There's your stuff.
Thank you.
Have a nice life. What do you do? I don't care what you do. I do not care what you do.
FYI, February...
I called Sarah. You fucking bitch. I'm fucking killing you.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
Oh my god. Okay, wow. Jesus. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh my. My man was cowering from that. Holy hell.
Sorry.
February
Sorry.
was when you were with Sparta.
No, you.
So she did it. So she did it in a YouTube live stream and in front of police.
I got all your texts are in my Discord. Okay. All your texts to her. All the same shit you say to me, you say to her.
You both are going to turn this into something.
Okay. I'm just talking to him.
Do you want to go to jail?
Not really, no.
Okay.
It's okay.
No, it's not okay.
Okay. I'm sorry. You should see what
you're lucky that your hand didn't hit him because regardless of what he said.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Get me off of that camera.
Okay, you're not on it.
No, get it. She's the police. Listen.
Regardless of what had just happened here, if you had hit him right in my presence.
Wait, Beaver, that guy's been flying her to the Middle East and paying her $10K in super chats? He sent this streamer over $1 million. Oh my god. What?
Regardless if you be quiet and listen to me. No matter what he said, you would be going to jail. Do you understand? You must not.
Oh wait! Is this the same? Is this that same couple that was got blasted a couple of weeks ago, where they were in the car, and then she like starts wailing on him in the car? Is that this couple? Oh, I haven't seen this yet. Okay, so this is actually new. I haven't seen this yet. Oh no.
That's fine.
This is serious. Alicia, calm down. I was asking,
We're good.
can I go grab my stuff?
You can grab your stuff here.
Exactly.
You can grab his stuff and he can go home. That's what he can do. Okay. I have his stuff. I could take him to his stuff and then he can go home.
Take his stuff and take your anger down a notch because you had hit him in my presence.
Okay, I'm not going to talk about the bad topic.
I think I should talk about it.
Okay, the fact that the cop just said that she hit him in her presence, she should be hooked up.
No, I said I'm going to stop talking about it.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Because that's ridiculous.
Okay.
And I hope your channel caught that bad perception of you. That's not very nice.
Okay.
No, it's not okay.
You ever been cheated on for 2 years?
Oh, so this is the body camera.
20-year-old
I'm
Mexican?
not
I doubt
getting
it.
into my business.
Okay, all right, well, I'm just telling you that's my business. I really don't want to talk to you anymore.
Do you understand?
Nice talking to you. Have a nice day. I called her and I spoke to her. She was very boring, of course. No, I saw all your texts. That he...
Sir, I'm sorry about that.
Yeah. Okay, this is what I recall. I have not seen this actual video, but you're saying that there's a police body cam in this one too, in this one now. But I've seen this screenshot and I've seen like snippets of this interaction. But yeah.
Don't talk.
Oh my God.
Yes, Sarah, we're really sorry about this. I'm sending him your way today. So don't worry. But yeah, so yeah, he's coming. Don't worry, he's coming home.
She just like almost broke my nose. She's gonna get arrested.
No, you're fine. You're fine.
Next time you touch me, I'll deck you. You understand?
I mean, if she actually like starts punching on him, he is well within his rights to self-defense. Deacon, they give him $5. Popular without any talent or skill. I mean, look, if you're, this is gonna sound sexist as all hell, but if you are an attractive woman, it's very easy for you to get popular online. Okay, it's that pretty privilege. Okay.
Sarah, hang up. These idiots. She posted your fucking number in her cancer Discord, and I was just being polite.
Yeah. No, so Bahram, how do you pronounce it? Do you know? I don't. So I'm gonna text you your nudes that he sent me and what he wrote about you. He said you're a dumb Mexican that he doesn't.
Oh, so this is the alleged cheating woman?
Like. Just how he said that I'm a streamer that he doesn't like. So you guys are like, wow, interesting.
Sarah.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, touch me and I deck your dumbass bitch.
I would stop talking about
dumb in the middle of the street dancing.
Yeah, Sarah, I heard you had a kid when you were 16. That's what he told me.
Jesus Christ, that's a donation alert.
And he said you're a dumb Mexican.
I said she's a dumb
Mexican. And
Mexican.
You keep showing up. And he says you won't stop texting him, but I saw the text. It's the same shit. Yeah. What's up?
She's half your age. She's half your age.
Delete the number, please.
Ooh.
Pull over.
Okay.
Pull over.
Okay, I'm getting out.
Okay, I mean, I understand him wanting to fight back, but that's not a good idea when she's driving the car to do that.
He's killing me.
How you doing?
I'm okay.
Alright, so what's going on?
We were just, the whole thing is started like this. We were at the psychologist's office. My girlfriend's a streamer.
Where's your girlfriend at?
She's in one of those cars over there. She ran out the car, and then they let her in.
She's over here?
Yeah, she's I think in the white.
This is the other half.
Right.
Yeah, the whole he's killing me.
So we were at the psychologist's office. My girlfriend's a streamer. She lives here. I came here to visit. And then in the middle of the session, she grabbed my phone. And she's like, oh, who's this? Who's this? She like freaked out. And then she left with my phone and my wallet. And then she told the psychologist came downstairs, but she lied and she said, I'm coming back. But she went to the mall to stream. And we were there because like she does this for views. And then I went to the mall and then they called they were like, so this is a case of theft. And they called like an officer lady came. And then she came out.
If you reported a theft, how come police didn't show up there?
No, they showed up at the mall, which is there.
Okay, so did they give you take a report?
No, they just. I should have asked for one. She was like, just go home. But in front of the police, then she like gave me a punch, and the lady was like, oh, you're so lucky I'm not arresting you. So I got into the car because we're at the Airbnb, and then she was joking.
What mall was this?
Huh?
What mall was this?
It's like the mall. I'm a tourist. It's like the mall here.
Is it an outdoor mall?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So she put like the information of this person that she was freaking out. She's like, call her up. I want to get canceled. I want to get views. And then the person called. She was like, can you stop this? And she started like punching me in the face. I was like, Elisa, stop. And then she punched me in my thing. It's all in like the stream. And then she gave me like a big punch in my nose. I pulled her hair to stop. And then she got out the car like the side. And they saw, so for the bystander.
He's talking to her. She's over there.
Yeah, she got into I don't know who that person is, but to a bystander, it looks like I was like beating her up, right?
Okay, well, you know.
Deacon, thank you for the $5. Deny attack and reverse victim and offender. Darvo is a tactic person may use to deflect responsibility onto an individual they abuse. Correct. The thing is, like, Darvo is very, very can be very difficult though, because both parties can easily accuse the other of Darvoing each other. You're going to need a lot more outside context in order to get that, but yes, that is an actual tactic used by abusers to try and say, like, actually, no, what you're doing to me is actually you're abusing me. You know, yeah, the Darvo is a very, like, it's tough. But yes, it's absolutely a tactic used by abusers to shift the blame onto others.
If you pulled her hair.
Yeah, I know, but like she was punching my face and like.
Okay. Well, you can always walk away or get in your
No,
car and drive
was,
away.
no. The car was moving. Right?
Okay.
The car was in the middle of the thing, in the middle of the street, and she was just punching me in my face. Like
okay, I understand what you're saying. I'm saying, if you can punch her back, you can do something else. You can pull over.
You should see the footage.
Okay, sir.
You're right. It could have been handled better. I agree.
Thank you. That's all I'm trying to say.
You're right. But I just wasn't. I was quiet the entire time, and then she, like, you know, and it's she's just doing it for like, oh, I get 110 views. She's 42 years old.
You know, you have to make a decision about who you're in a relationship
with. No, I signed up for it. I'm here to try to like help her, but like this isn't. We went to the doctor because of this, because like we were like, you should value yourself more, like not.
You can't help everybody. They have to want to help themselves.
Need your ID. We're trying to figure everything out, okay?
Am I under arrest, please? No.
Where's your ID at?
Am I under arrest?
You're being detained right now, yeah.
What's detained?
You can't go anywhere right now.
Is that
investigating a crime?
Is that handcuffs?
No, you're not.
It can be, but no.
You're not handcuffed right now because you're not in handcuffs.
No, but like, is that where this is going?
I don't know where it's going yet. We're investigating right now. I need to take pictures of your injuries, okay?
But he has so many injuries from his MS. Do you know that? Okay. Those are not from
I didn't say.
What? I don't think the cop ever mentioned mentioned his injuries. So the fact that you brought that up without any what is it? Any input or any the fact that you said that voluntarily without the cops saying anything is, yeah, a bit of a self-report right there.
His injuries were from you. I said I need to take...
Without prompting, there we go. Thank you.
I appreciate it. So before that first time that you hit him here?
Yeah.
Oh my god, and they have the live stream.
Was there more before this?
Oh,
yeah, I just stopped and said, okay. Was there more before that?
He was slapping all day.
Okay.
Is that bad?
It's not good.
Is it jail?
It could be. You can't hit people.
All right, I'm really sorry. Can I just say sorry or pay something?
No.
Sorry, I won't do it. I won't hang out with him anymore. He's the only person I ever hit in my life. I hate him so much. He cheated on me. Fucked up with a woman that called me. A woman called me, and it was 20-year-old that he's been cheating on me with 2 years. I'm sorry I hit him. I'm so mad. I was so mad. Please, please, please.
Again, imagine a guy saying this. I'm sorry I hit her. Please, man. Please, man. I'm sorry I hit her. She just cheated on me and she pissed me off so bad. I'm sorry. Can I, you know, is there anything I could do? Can I just pay my way? Like, again, imagine the gender reversed. The gender's reversed.
Please don't put me in jail. I can't handle it right now. I'll have a heart attack.
Oh my god.
Any other options?
My partner is the one making the decision.
What did he say? Did he say anything about me?
He's talking to your fiance. You guys are both very confused about what you guys are. You probably should be.
What did he say?
You can think of it the $5. Okay, notice how calm she is right now. This is Darva. About her being calm? Is it? I don't know. I really don't know, actually.
Away from each other. That you guys were arguing and you hit him. I mean, we have the video.
Yeah. But he hit me much worse than I hit him. Did you notice that?
He grabbed you. He never.
He had his hands around my neck. Is that worse?
Well, he didn't. Well, that's. Well, he. Yeah, but you slapped him and you actually. I think you actually hit him in the nose. He had a pretty red nose, but you actually hit him. He grabbed you. He didn't even strike you.
At no point in the video did he have his hands around your neck.
Oh, really?
So I have to read you your rights to get a
arrest?
Read you your
No,
rights.
nothing handcuffs.
Hey, Deadpool.
I'm reading you
Yeah.
your rights.
About their handcuffs? Wait.
He's reading you your rights. Chill.
Handcuffs.
No, that's not how that works.
Miranda warnings.
Wait, is that what they say before they arrest you?
I have to read you, okay?
Wait, can you just answer the question? Is that what you read before I get arrested?
This is what I read you before I can ask you questions. This is a criminal investigation, okay?
Oh my god, what the fuck? I can't believe this is so stupid. I need to call my mom. I need to call my mom. This is so bad. I need to go to an insane asylum now. What is gonna happen here?
That's what we're trying to
I'm
determine.
so scared. I'm so scared.
The
What
state of
usually
Florida
happens in
The
this?
state of Florida has zero tolerance for domestic violence,
Oh
okay?
my god. So what does that mean? So we're like both in jail? Because we both hit each other?
If we were unable to determine a primary aggressor, you could both go to jail.
Oh my god, I'm going to jail because I'm first.
First is
Now that is a self snitch. What an idiot. Oh no. Why would you say that? Oh no. Yep. She's an idiot. All right. No, Hitchbot, I could not fix her. I don't want to fix her. Why would I want to fix somebody who's going to physically abuse me?
not necessarily mean primary aggressor. We have to look at all the evidence and determine who we believe to be the primary aggressor.
What's primary mean? Wait, how long jail do I have? I'm going to jail, I know it.
If you were to go to jail today, you would have to wait to see a judge in the morning. You'd go to first appearance, and then you would probably have either a no violent contact order against your fiance or a no contact order against your fiance.
What's no violent order?
A no violent contact order would mean you can't have any violent contact with him, or you'd be violating the judge's order. You can't.
Wait. Okay, I'm very stupid.
There's two different orders.
Okay.
So there would just be a straight up no contact order where you would not be able to go back to wherever you guys are staying.
Okay, that's fine. I don't want to go back there.
It just depends what the judge would give. And then
But what about the jail?
The jail would be you'd go to jail tonight and see a judge in the morning, and because there's no bond.
Can I just say and then would the judge say, "Oh, you're in jail for 5 years"?
No, that's not.
That's not how that works.
How does it work?
You're gonna be released after.
Oh my God.
Probably on a bond or whatever. I don't know
How
if they
much
do
is a bond?
No idea.
Can I pay my own bond?
I think so. These are questions for corrections.
Yes, you can.
I don't know the jail side of that.
Yeah, that's the question for corrections and the judge.
I'm gonna be freaking out. Can you please?
Oh my God.
That doesn't happen.
No.
To stop you from freaking out?
No, stop me I can't go to jail. I'm gonna freak out.
I'm too pretty to go to jail.
My dogs.
My dogs. Well, you should have thought about that before smacking your significant other on a live stream.
Where's your dog at?
In the.
Where you guys are staying, right?
No, they're boarding.
Okay. Why are they in boarding? You can't have it at the Airbnb?
Can you stop that from happening, please?
From you going to jail? I can't stop any of this. You can't hit people, especially people you're in a relationship with. It's domestic violence.
Okay, so I'm in jail overnight, and then what happens?
You'll see a judge in the morning.
Can I just say sorry and can I pay?
We're not back in elementary school where you as the parent take the kid and it's like now Sarah, say you're sorry. That's not. You're a grown adult. You're held to a higher standard that you're not supposed to beat on people, especially your significant other.
The judge makes those decisions, and the state attorney will decide whether or not they're going to follow through with charges.
The state attorney, what if they decide to do that?
Then either you get a plea bargain.
What's a plea bargaining?
They'd make a deal, like you'd plead guilty or you plead no contest or whatever, and they'd come up with some kind of deal. Or you could go to trial, or they might not pick up the charges if your fiance doesn't cooperate.
Wait, they might not what?
At least she's warning them that she's going to freak out. Reminds me of a first ride along with the police chaplain. Oh, really, Father?
If your fiance refuses to cooperate with the state attorney's office, they might not file charges. But they don't. He doesn't have to cooperate because it's domestic violence. Even if he didn't want to press charges, which I don't know if he does because I haven't asked him. My partner's talking to him. If he didn't want to press charges, the state would still press charges on his behalf because it's domestic.
Yeah, which I think is a good thing. I think is actually an absolutely thing that should be replicated across the country, because as many of you guys know, in domestic violence, when battered husband or battered woman syndrome, a product of that is that the abused victim tends to not go through with the charges, and in many instances the state can't move forward. A lot of states now say that the state will move forward regardless of whether or not the alleged victim says they don't want to press charges, or so
callers 1020.
And then how many years would I get?
There's not years. It's the state attorney if they even file the charges.
If they did,
I have no idea. It's a
Can
misdemeanor.
Google it? Can we Google it?
It's a misdemeanor.
What's a misdemeanor?
Less than 1 year in jail.
Less than 1 year? I'll be in jail for a year?
No, that's what a misdemeanor is. A misdemeanor is less than a year in jail.
So I'd be...
I don't want to say the R word, but is she disregarded when it comes to criminal justice?
in jail this year for 1 year.
It's
a remedial?
Anything less than a year in jail. A misdemeanor is up to 364 days in jail, I believe.
So it'd be less than that?
Yes, it'd be less than that.
Can I claim insanity, please?
Oh my god! What the hell?
So it's definitely less than a year, though, right?
For a misdemeanor, yes.
Oh my god, my family is gonna completely disown me. They hate me anyway. They hate me anyway. Nobody talks to me in my family.
I wonder why.
Can I please use my phone to call my mom? Say sorry for what I did?
Right now.
Hi, Fairy Dust.
Can you just tell me, please? Are you guys arresting me? Is that why you need to know the street?
I don't. I see you.
You are not in handcuffs right now.
But
right
are you going to?
We are still investigating.
What do you investigate?
Who are these two guys in the background? Who are they? These two guys are just chilling. What is the scene? Who are these guys?
Domestic violence.
Okay, but like,
you both.
So
we're still.
But he's not really giving me any eye contact. The other guy.
Maybe he doesn't like looking people in the eye. I don't know.
Okay, but so at least you're giving me eye contact. Sorry. Okay, so do you think you're handcuffing me today?
I don't think I'm handcuffing you.
You think
he
is?
might.
He might?
Yes.
Or he is?
Like I told you, he's going to be the arresting deputy of whoever gets arrested. Okay?
Somebody's getting arrested?
Yes, it's domestic violence. In the state of Florida, there's zero tolerance for domestic violence. So
Oh my
somebody
God.
will be going to jail.
Somebody's going to be going to jail?
Yes.
One of us?
Yes.
Oh my god, it's going to be me. Did he see the video where he was like...
Yes, he's seen the whole video.
He saw the end?
Yes.
He swear to God?
Yes.
The end when I was
I
being
showed him the whole video.
Even the end? Okay. I'm being arrested, I think. Oh no, and he's going to watch me be arrested. He doesn't deserve to see that. Can you tell him to go away?
No.
He's going to watch me.
Oh my god. Not only is she dumb, she is insufferable. She's on the level as the first person we've seen tonight.
What's up?
You are getting arrested.
Oh my god! Can he not watch? Can he not watch?
Oh my god.
Okay.
I'm working with you.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
allowing you to sit here in this comfortable chair instead of cuffing you up right
really?
now and putting you in my car.
Okay, so
Okay?
what does that mean?
So just hold on for a moment and we're gonna go through our process.
Oh my god. Wait, what does that mean? Can I just walk in the car? He's gonna be loving this. He's gonna be loving this.
There it is.
Oh my god, I need to make my YouTube video private.
That should not be in your That should not be on the priorities list, lady. But either way, it was live stream. Everybody's gonna see it. Everybody did see it because all of the content creators covered your stupid BS a couple weeks ago.
Alright, I'm gonna lose my channel. That's okay. That's okay.
Again, that's not. Oh my god, that's what she's worried about. She's losing her channel.
Okay, it's probably for the best, honestly. It's for the best. I should just stay away from it. Can I ask your professional opinion on something?
Sure.
How long do you think I could be in jail for this one?
Oh, very short time. If you guys weren't married or in a relationship, you would be released today.
Serial Tackle, thank you for the $5. I get the idea that a lot of stuff this dude pays for with her doesn't involve eye contact.
With a
I'm
court
in a
date.
relationship with him. I broke up with him today.
Okay.
I'm not kidding. We're not in a relationship. Wait, does that change something? No?
No.
You started
No.
your relationship like after your birthday, right? Something like that?
Yeah, but
And you guys have a marriage license.
No, but we didn't get married. I said
I know
no.
you have a marriage license and you've been intimate with him.
You have a marriage license, but you didn't get married?
No, we never had sex. I swear to God on my life. I swear to God on my life. Ask him. Ask him right now. If we didn't have sex, I don't have to go?
No, that's not true.
No.
Oh, wait, it's not true. Wait, I swear to God on my life, on all my family that we never had sex. Does that affect something?
Like that's it.
What?
The judge is going to figure it out.
Bring that up in court.
I will. So he was saying...
And you know, be careful with how you say it. You have a marriage license. That's what you told us. We're making decisions based on information that you shared with us. You know, you both confirmed that you have a marriage license, and you know, a 15-minute Zoom call would make it legal in every state in the country. Yeah, but I mean, you have a marriage license, and you've had an ongoing relationship. You're, you know, staying together here. You know, I mean, you've known them for an extended period of time.
Can I bring in witnesses?
Yeah, when it
I have
gets to
so
that
many
point.
witnesses. I have thousands of witnesses.
Okay. Well, I'm just saying, I'm not giving you legal advice. I'm telling you that the charge is relatively minor. You know, you didn't require medical attention. He didn't require medical attention.
Which will affect the severity.
In your opinion, your professional opinion.
What was that?
What's the longest that I'd be in jail for in your professional opinion?
Like you said, overnight.
Why is she whispering
So you don't
this?
think it's like a year or something?
No.
I swear to God. I swear to God in your life.
Nope. Absolutely.
Should I also ask him?
Tones, thank you for the 25 months, man.
Actually, he doesn't want to talk to me anymore, I don't think. So you don't think it's like a year or 5 years in jail?
No.
Definitely not.
I mean, there's no serious injury. There's no, you know, like weapons. There's no, you know.
Okay,
So-
but when you cuff me, I want it to be behind him. So I don't want to give him that.
Unfortunately, you don't control that
Can I just
aspect
back
of
Yeah, you don't control.
my chair?
Honestly, I'm getting really annoyed. Again, she sounds exactly like the first girl. This sense of like entitlement and demands being made of law enforcement, completely ignoring the severity of the situation.
He doesn't deserve to see me.
Or oblivious to it.
We're in the public domain, and you're a person that deals with streaming and videos and everything.
I could have the president watching.
You know that when you're outside of your home, there's no expectation of privacy.
No, I know, but I'm just saying, as a human to another human.
Okay. I think I'm being. These gentlemen can attest.
Yeah, no. Here's a woman.
I'm being very gentlemanly.
Oh no,
like
you're
with
being
you.
awesome. I like you.
Okay.
It's not that I don't like you. I just think we just back up a couple feet so he doesn't have to get the.
Can you get me a prisoner property bag?
What's that?
I mean.
Oh, God. Prisoner property.
We have the purse.
Yeah.
Do you want to leave any of this in the car? Or do you
No,
want to
I want to take all my stuff.
Okay. Stand up, please.
All right. I don't want him to want. I don't want him to look at me doing this.
I'm just gonna walk her over to my car. She's been cooperative. Then we'll.
See, this is mine. Can you, in my personal property, can you get my 2 cell phones and my keys?
1 second.
Alright, this is fine.
She's 10:15.
What's 10:15? Is that like a good thing? 10? Oh my God, this is so embarrassing. He's not watching. I know he's watching. He's watching me. He's loving it. He's loving it. He cheated and he doesn't see it.
No, but seriously, she's being treated with kid gloves.
Oh my God, he's so happy about right now. He's so fucking happy. That's the worst. But you don't think I'm
It's
gonna...
unfortunate.
You don't think I'm gonna be in jail more than a day?
No.
You swear to God? Not
Yeah,
like 2 months in jail or anything?
absolutely,
Or 3 months, a year, nothing like that? Just one night, right?
Well, like I said, I mean, what has happened? You know, nothing. I mean, something serious, but not. You know, there's no.
So you don't think I'm gonna
death,
be in jail?
There's no serious injury.
You don't think I'm gonna be in jail for a week or anything?
No.
You swear?
No.
You
As
promise?
soon as you see the judge, they're gonna let you out.
Okay, thank you. Oh my God. You know I'm like a little famous. I hope that This does not... Actually, can you look it up if anyone... Oh my god. This is so bad. I look so ugly right now. Oh, this is
my god.
really bad.
Oh my god, I do not like this person.
I am not going to be able to do anything professionally now, ever. It actually couldn't end up on TMZ, but I don't want that. I'd rather get on for like something good, you know? I'm like an emotional basket case. This guy really provokes me, and he...
Ah, there it is. There it is. Oh, he made me do it. He made me do it. He provokes me all the time. He always pushes my buttons, and that's what gets me going.
I don't know why. My channel's probably going to be taken down because they don't like stuff like this on it. They don't like this on YouTube.
No shit.
Yeah, it was live stream.
Live.
Yeah, because what happened was, is like this morning we went to the therapy, and I was so upset. I felt so upset that I turned on the live stream to talk to the people about it, what happened. And then I streamed going to the mall, and I streamed the whole situation. Which probably worked against me, because if I didn't stream that, people would just know he threw me from the car. But this is a very big rock bottom, so hopefully, even if my channel gets deleted, good. I'll do something else. I'll find another job. It's fine. I don't even like doing this anymore.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I'm a really good live streamer. That's the thing. I'm really good at it.
I'm a good live streamer. Oh my god. There it is. There are the tears.
You think so? Thank you. I'm really like that. I hate violence. Is the thing. I really do. I don't even like it. I hate guns. I hate violence. I hate guns.
Oh my god. Yeah. All right. I'll be right back. I got one last one. The thing is, I don't know if I've seen this with you guys or if I saw it on my own and just haven't shown it to you. But I'll be right back. All right, we're back. All right, let's see if you guys have seen this yet. Copy link.
Where is it?
She has it in the van.
All right. This involves a U-Haul incident, or a lady in a U-Haul in a hit run or damage to vehicle property. I know I have seen this. I just don't remember if I've shown it to you guys before.
I can't get my van.
Okay, I can't do anything.
She's biting me and she took my phone. It's in the van and I can't get it.
Are you seriously biting her?
Yes,
You called the
give me
cops.
my phone.
The cops are already called.
Give me my phone. You're damaging my car, you stupid.
Out of the way.
You have got to be kidding me.
It's alright, it's on video.
You stupid. Over and over again against my mirror and into my car, and then slammed her door and tried to run me over in the process of trying to take off while her door was open. I was in between her open door and my car.
Okay.
On August 24th, 2023, officers in New Mexico responded to a call reporting a fight between two women in a parking lot at a local library. The fight began over the driver of a U-Haul denting the caller's car, escalating when the driver took the calling party's phone and attempted to leave the parking lot.
Hi.
Hi.
So what happened?
I just was simply
trying
trying
to
to
explain this so that because she's working.
Was she the one involved?
It was both of us.
Okay.
So the lady came up and she had parked her van super crooked, which we got pictures of and everything.
Okay.
And she had.
And that's all I was trying to take photos and videos
Okay,
of.
just breathe for me, okay?
She swung her door open and hit her mirror. So all we were doing was taking pictures of it.
So she swung her door open.
Yeah,
and your mirror.
and all I was going to do was
So all we
contact
did
you
was
all
take
and you
pictures.
guys to make reports. That's it.
And she saw us taking pictures. She came out and she started to call her white trash and get super mad. While I was recording it, and then she was.
You got isms.
Recorded as well, and in that process, while she was holding her son, went after her, took her phone.
Shoved me, took off with my phone.
So I took him, and then she got in her van with the phone, and in the process of her trying to get it back, she bit her.
She bit the my hand, slammed her door
and
continuously
into
my car over and over again against my mirror and into my car, and then slammed her door and tried to run me over in the process of trying to take off while her door was open. I was in between her open door and my car.
Okay.
Now.
No, it's all right. We already have pictures.
This is a video.
It's okay. We already have pictures of it beforehand. It's fine.
Because you clearly didn't do anything wrong. Don't pull that race car shit on you.
Yeah.
Why does she have a visor?
Want to call her white trash again?
I have no problem.
Go ahead. Oh. Okay, so if you have no problem, pull out of the parking lot. Goodbye.
Don't tell me what to do. Get out of here. I don't want to. Because you damaged my car and now you're liable. Your car is perfectly fine.
There's pictures now because she also just watched. She just wiped it off.
And then it touches. It doesn't hit it. Yes, it does. Get in your van. Hitting it. No, I'm calling you home. It's okay. You're getting it.
Well, if you're not concerned, then why are you standing here having a fight about it if you're not worried?
It's all right. The library has recording. I've got photos of how she thinks it's okay to dump the car. She's perfectly fine.
Perfectly fine. What if she had to take her son out on that side of the cart? How do you expect her to get her child out if you're parked that close?
She signs the clause as U-Haul. So she knows that she's supposed to be parking correctly, and she's not, and she's hitting my car, and she thinks it's okay. So I will be contacting U-Haul, and she'll be liable for damages. It's fine.
And again, if her son was on that side of the car, how do you expect people to take their kids out of the car when you're parking like that?
I have 3 children. What if I had to get my daughters out on that side? I can't because you're just parking like a dumbass.
She doesn't care. She's too busy standing here calling people white trash.
I got all day. It's fine. I got nowhere to be right now. Huh. Yeah, put you in your shit.
That's a good. That's actually true, Robert. I have seen that a lot of U-Haul trucks are plated in Arizona or North Dakota.
Oh God. Call me white trash. Let's figure out what you are.
Mm-hmm. So funny how other races can pull the race card, but the second we do it.
Reverse-isms.
All I have to do is tell you how she's not parking properly, and that's it. And there are 2 women harassing me.
Oh yeah, we're harassing you for defending the fact that you hit a car.
We're not. You can more than welcome leave. I want you to leave.
And they're like threatening that I hit their car, which is totally
Threatening.
crap.
How is that threatening?
So
no, we're making a statement that you hit the car.
To just double check on the situation.
It's all right.
All of this is prior to the cops' arrival.
That's okay. I'm standing here recording the whole thing. Was from the beginning. Pretty sure I got white on the video too. So if we want to talk about harassment.
I'm gonna let the officer know too. She is more than welcome to leave. She can.
Frigga Pope, the woman in the visor and the white shirt is the U-Haul driver.
The entire time I was not
I
blocking
also have
her.
it on video that we asked her to leave.
And we're not blocking her. She can leave. She's been able to leave this entire time. Nobody has blocked her in. She is more than welcome to leave and has been able to leave this entire time. Nobody's harassing anybody.
Manipulate the situation, but you're going to sit here and say that we're harassing you. But you're sitting here
gaslighting.
Names calling people white but we're harassing. So funny how people want to twist the situation the second they got on the phone with the cops.
Gaslighting.
Not true, and I want to have an officer too. They're getting inside my vehicle.
She's not getting inside of it. Quit crying wolf.
Are you kidding me?
Don't hit her. She has a kid in her hand.
My phone and threw it. Give me my phone.
Oh, okay.
There's a kid in her hands. You don't do shit like that.
And she shoved me. Give me my phone.
I got a video. Come here. You're okay, baby.
Poor kid.
She's over here attacking my sister with her kid in her hands. Yes, please.
Get my phone out of the truck.
Where is it?
She has it in the van. I can't get my van.
Okay, I can't do anything.
She's biting me and she took my phone.
Okay, now she's...
And I can't get it.
Are you seriously biting her?
Give me my phone.
Did you seriously bite her?
She bit my hand right here. She bit my...
Yeah, that's a bite. Oh my goodness. Jesus. That's nasty.
Did you seriously bite her?
She bit my hand right here.
Yikes. Yeah, that's a bite.
You called the
cops.
The cops are already called.
Give me my phone. You're damaging my car, you stupid. Give me my phone.
Can you get in there and help her, please?
Give me my phone and you can go. Give me my phone and you can go. My phone is in your van. My phone is in your van. And you just...
That's battery. That's it. That's battery at the very least.
You bit me. Give me my phone.
And if she took the phone, can be larceny too.
Sir, do you...
Or actually, no, because it was on her person, that could actually be robbery.
See this? She has my phone in her van. All I want is my phone. No, give me my phone. You already called the cops. Give me my phone and you can go. You can get out of this parking lot. Give me my phone. It's on the floor.
It's okay, baby.
Put the boys in the car and go get my phone. It's on the other side of the van on the floor. It's in the middle. She bit me.
Here.
This is...
Okay, finish recording.
You're
Here.
damaging my car. Continue pulling this. I'm getting some more damages. Give me my phone. It's on the floor.
You're fine. Finish recording her so we have proof on the cop show.
Give me my phone.
I think the khaki dude is just some guy who's noticing all the ruckus.
Took my phone. She bit me. My phone is on the floor of her U-Haul and she's continuing to hit my mirror. Damaging it. Give me my phone. And you can get out of here. It is right there on the floor. I'm not going to touch you. Give me my phone. It's on the floor right there by your hand. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. You're hitting my car. Give me my phone. Give me my phone and you can get out of this parking lot quicker than quick. Give me my phone. It's right there on the floor by your stupid hand. Give me my phone. She bit me.
Yeah, you were pulling my hair.
I'm gonna have the cops. Give me my phone because you stole my phone. You're trying to take off with my phone. You shoved me with my son in my hands and you took off with my phone. I didn't pull your hair until after you bit me. Give me my phone. Are you kidding me? Give me my phone. You're just getting yourself into more trouble. Give me my phone.
Till the police comes.
I can't. She has my phone. That is all I want. And you can get out of this parking lot. Give me my phone.
No, you already...
You assaulted me and bit me. This woman right here bit me. She thinks it's okay. Don't know where she's going. Dropped off some books. Thinks it's okay to park right next to my car. Damage my vehicle and bite me.
I know she's gonna get in trouble.
Yikes, the woman who got bit is a psycho though. I mean, I feel like if I got bit, well, if I had a damage to my vehicle and the other person is gaslighting to the cops, and then this lady took my phone and then bite me as I'm trying to get it back, I feel like I would be I'd be in a similar like state of mind where I'm like, what in the is happening? Give me my phone, you crazy bitch. I'd be in the same position as she is. And I probably would sound a bit psycho too.
No. You have my phone. Give me my phone. You're not shutting your door until you give me my phone. You're damaging the out of my car.
Oh, damn. Oh. Ew. Oh, that's a nasty scratch.
Give me my phone.
Let's close the mirror.
No. Give me my phone.
Listen.
Don't touch me again. You already bit me. Give me my phone.
Pulling my hair.
Give me my phone. Because you bit me. Quit. You're damaging my car. That's more damages you're paying for, stupid.
Let her. She'll pay for it.
Yeah. The Ascent one bit the white woman. Give me my phone. After calling me white trash. Give me my phone. She's pissed because I got her damaging my car. Give me my phone. Do see all these damages. She thinks it's okay.
Lots of isms happening here.
Biting me with my son in my hands, shoving me through the parking lot and taking off with my phone, which is now in her U-Haul from Arizona. She bit me. I want DNA tests too, because she's getting charged for this shit. I'm not okay with that. And she has my phone. She's holding my property, trying to take off with it. Don't touch me. She's gonna take off with my phone in her hand.
Oh, and now she just busted her mirror. And scratching the car.
Are you kidding me?
It's alright, it's on video.
You stupid
Video. It's alright, it's on video. Yeah, can't go anywhere now. Stop, you're gonna get hurt.
Mirror on the woman's car.
Move. It's fine. Let her go. She'll get arrested.
So that is a hit and run or fleeing the scene of an accident, whatever it's called in Arizona or New Mexico. Sorry, it's New Mexico we're in. So that's a hit and run or fleeing the scene of an accident.
Take
Arizona AL97904. You're fine. It's fine. Come here, please.
Oh my God. I'm sorry. I'd be losing my shit if somebody just wrecks my car and just decides to just bolt. After biting me and taking my phone when I'm carrying my child at the same time.
Go stand by. You're fine.
Hi there, ma'am. How's it going?
Not good.
Do you mind stepping out real quick?
Yes.
130 PD, all there is. You can code 1, contaminate the air PD. So what's going on? Do you have your ID on you?
Ask me questions first, then I will answer.
Okay. What was that?
Questions first, then I will answer.
Okay. Well, I need to identify who you're talking to. Right now, we're investigating a possible crime.
Okay.
And so you fit the description, I'll be 1995, it's a U-Haul van, so that's why we get called out here.
Yeah.
So I'll be more than happy to answer your questions.
Well, I need to know what happened.
What happened?
That's why you guys are here talking to me.
Why we're here? Because we got a call from our dispatch saying that there was some sort of interaction between there, yeah.
Yes, I was parked.
I'm making sure there's no one in there. That's why I'm opening the door. It's not your property, it's U-Haul's.
Well, I rent it, so it's fine. See what I was saying. So, I was parked over here.
You want to stand in the shade, that way we can see better?
So I was parked over here, and these women start like making a really big deal out of my parking job.
Okay.
And I don't think it was bad, but they said I was hitting their mirror.
Okay.
Wait, there's a video. Hey, I'm talking to you. Fine.
Hey, I'm talking. Okay.
And then she said
Rude.
I was hitting her mirror. And then she opened the U-Haul, and then she started recording me on the face. And I took...
Lady, a lot happened before we got to that situation. I'm sorry, but a lot happened before we got to that situation. Jassa asked, that's a good question. Do you have any Fourth Amendment protections from rentals? Yes.
I took her phone, and I went inside, and then she started pulling my hair. The window was down. I bit her hand. And then she, like, the door opened, like, so much. That at this point, like, the mirror was, like, in between
it was making
the
contact
door.
with it?
Yeah.
Because she opened the door?
Yeah, because she opened, like, fully opened the door.
Okay.
that, yeah, I did call her white. And then, they kept recording me, and another person came out, a man from the library, and I just pulled back, and now the door doesn't close, and the little guys came.
Okay. So the initial.
That is the most. That is the worst retelling of what we saw. Oh my goodness.
Confrontation started because she thought you were over the line too much.
She said that I was hitting her mirror, and I had to take a video. And I told her that's not true, and I'm gonna show how it isn't true. Then there was like 2 women with kids. One was standing behind the car. Then the one was here, started recording me, and I took the phone away, and the window was down.
Okay, so she admits that she took the phone away from her.
All units are on board. And I took it.
So when she opened the door, you were already.
And she bit her.
I was inside.
Okay.
But like before, when I was trying to, capture the way I was parked, she opened the wheel hole.
Okay.
She got inside.
That's a self snitch, true.
You weren't taking the phone in the sense of using it for your own property?
No, because she was pulling my hair and she started recording me, so I bit her.
Okay.
And that's what I didn't
do. You have any physical injuries on you?
No, but she does because I bit her.
Okay.
But I do have, someone definitely pulled my hair.
Okay. So she pulled your hair and...
she was outside when she pulled my hair.
She was standing here, right?
She was here on the outside and I was inside.
Because the window was open, correct?
The window was open.
Okay. And then from that...
I mean, the charges I would say, from what I saw, was battery for the bite, robbery for taking the phone from her person. But although it might be difficult to say that she may be difficult to say that the intent to keep, because intent is a factor there in robbery, and also potential hit and run and or fleeing the scene of an accident.
At that point, you guys were arguing. Did she pull your hair before you took her phone or after you took her phone?
No, she started pulling my hair because I took the phone.
Okay.
So she started recording me. Because I was ready to go. I was like, I'm not doing anything to your car. I have videos. My park job is good.
My understanding is that if I'm going to make a guess, the woman's phone is either on the passenger floorboard or on the passenger seat.
As far as her pulling your hair, do you want to press charges for that?
I'm leaving tomorrow. This is related.
You don't. So you don't live here?
No, I don't live here.
Okay.
But I would love to press charges if this is what's.
Okay.
I don't even know. I'm happy to do so.
Okay. And again, I can't speak for the court, so they might say you a fair person if you do want to press charges for her.
Or under the seat.
She started attacking me.
Okay. And I'll get her side of the story as well, just so it's fair from there.
Yeah, right on it. So, and that's what we needed to see, because they were having conflicting stories about who had the phone where.
Because in that video, she's the one that's closing distance.
Yeah.
That's when she takes the phone from her.
She said that she said she was in the car, and the lady had the phone in her face while she was still seated in the car.
Which in the video, she's standing here.
She's standing out.
So I imagine that it's always a difficult situation for cops in this situation. I know I'm being repetitive, because the cops probably haven't seen what we've seen, which is the initial video. Yeah, Nicholas. I could argue as a prosecutor that she drove off. That could be an intent to deprive. So that could be enough to show intent, satisfy that element. But yeah. The cops are saying we're getting two conflicting stories. We have no idea what's going on. It's obviously it's a he said, she said.
Grabs it from her by force, then gets into it. You want to step on really quick? You want to put your phone over there? Yeah, let's go ahead and push your phone over here.
It's right away.
Go ahead and turn around real quick. Do you have anything on you?
Oh, they did see the video? Yeah, that's true.
So you're being arrested for robbery, okay?
There it is. Yeah, robbery!
So based off the video and other statements, witness statements, stuff like that, it's not. Because you
Guys, the void kitty is right here. Mike, what do you want? Are you being a baby boy? You are. He's demanding scritches.
initially told me that you were sitting in the vehicle, right? When you took the phone.
Yeah, when I took the.
Okay. Well, the video that's on the phone or the video we have, you're standing there. You close distance on the female and then take it to me.
Okay.
Yes, Grixie. Mike is a fucking biter, and he pisses me off every morning, and it kills me because he bites my feet every morning when I'm trying to get another half hour of sleep. But no, he decides that now that at 5:30 in the morning is the time to start biting the fuck out of my feet.
Yeah, it'll be towed. So they'll most likely just tow it back to them.
Can someone drive it for me?
I'm gonna open some windows for you, get your AC going, and then we'll be headed out there soon.
The suspect was charged with felony robbery. In the state of New Mexico,
I'm honestly surprised that that's all they charge her for.
robbery is a third-degree felony. If found guilty, individuals convicted of third-degree felonies, such as robbery, face a sentence of up to 3 years in prison and may also be fined up to $5,000.
Yeah, I'm actually shocked that that's all they charge her with. Because how do you not? Yeah. I mean, true. I mean, yeah, that could be it. True. Like robbery would, if robbery was the strongest charge that had the highest level of punishment. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna stop here, and we're going to switch to DBZA on my Discord. So if you're not a fan of if you're not on my Discord, check it out. If you don't know what DBZA is, Dragon Ball Z Abridged. I'm a weeb trash confirmed, and we're still watching through the marathon of Dragon Ball Z Abridged, and that's where we're gonna end the night. I can't remember what episode we're on, Jassa. I think we're still the Imperfect Cell arc. Yeah, we're Imperfect Cell because he's made his appearance yet. All right, so if you're not interested in that, I don't blame you at all, because it is a very nerdy thing. But I am a nerd, so deal with it. All right, have a good night, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll probably be tomorrow. I'm probably going to be streaming more Hi-Fi Rush since I finally fixed the audio lag issue. And yeah, check me out then on my gaming channel, Artie's. It's Artie's gaming channel, so check that out as well if you're interested. Yeah, but beyond that, have a good night. Take care. Adios. Stay safe. See ya.